Today I surprised my best friend Nidal, who was in a very serious accident 2 weeks ago. He was in a coma for 5 days. I've been worried about him, so I drove all night to visit him. He has no idea I'm coming.
Salish?
And I have a huge surprise for him. We're gonna transform his bedroom into the ultimate dream room.
We have a camera crew over there interviewing Nidal right now, but he has no idea it's because we're gonna be there later.
Hi, I'm Nidal Wonder. I'm 13 years old and I live in Fresno, California. Recently I got into an accident, so I'm gonna be sharing the story with you guys today.
I'm here to surprise Nidal with a room makeover so he has a really nice place to recover. Right now Nidal's parents are painting his room and Nidal has no idea I'm gonna surprise him and turn it into his dream room.
Nidal has been sleeping in the living room since he got back from the hospital. He's been dying to sleep in his room.
I'm gonna get a bunch of things for Nidal.
Oh, I'll get a cart. Oh, whoa, okay, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna need some lighting, say. All boys love new lighting in their room. Let's go.
Dad, we need a PS5.
PS5?
Yeah.
This?
I don't know.
Does he need accessory? Like,
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
The last thing I remember from the accident is me heading from Target and then stopping at the light. I don't remember what happened, but I'm saying what based off what people said. I was going straight, they were on the other side, they were making a left. Both our lights were green and I went first and then they cut me off and I went flying like over 2 cars.
I'm sure he's going crazy with casts, bandages, and a wheelchair.
I got a broken leg, a broken collarbone, and a fractured skull. They cut my head open and they took like a chunk of like blood out. It was bad.
He has no idea we're doing this renovation right now. And I know Nidal's gonna love it even more because Salish is gonna do it for him.
I think it's awesome that Salish decided to come all the way here and surprise Nidal. She would never say this herself, but she was very concerned about him when he got hurt, as we all were. But now, he seems like he's getting way better, and we cannot wait to surprise him.
I feel much better now. My leg is much less swollen. I can like actually function with my brain before I could not. Like, I'm on a road to a fast recovery. Thank you guys all, by the way, for helping me and supporting.
Why do you need to get him clothes?
Cause he might like clothes. Spider-Man? Sandy cue him when he was Spider-Man. And he'll like it. Cute.
Nidal is literally downstairs, so we have to be really quiet. Guys, we have only a little bit amount of time, so we have to hurry.
Since Nidal is getting so much stuff, I'm gonna get his sister Gigi a Target gift card because she's been doing all the painting.
You gotta kind of hurry up. We have a whole room to make over. Nidal has no idea we're even coming. We're going way too slow.
That way, bro.
Whenever I woke up from the coma, everyone was so surprised I was alive. They thought I was gonna die. I was in the coma for 5 days. Everyone's like, oh yeah, Nidal, you got in a crash. You've been in a coma for 4 days. I didn't believe anyone. I thought I was too good to get in a crash. I literally told my brother while I was laying down, I was like, what? No, I'm too good to get in a crash. It felt like 4 seconds had passed by in 5 days. It was crazy. Like, I don't remember anything.
Without getting emotional, is there anything you feel like you'd like to say?
No, nobody cares what I think. I'm just yapping. I'm filled with yap.
She should keep yapping?
Yeah.
Should I yap?
Now we're gonna fill up his room a little bit with snacks. I'm taking one of these.
This is Salish's favorite soda.
We'll add pretzels in just to keep him a little healthy. And we have a big surprise coming, so we need popcorn.
Z-bars. Come on.
Sparkling water. No.
It's not somebody's He loves talking.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't like him anymore?
No, I don't know.
We have to buy it now. It's all
I have
smushed
no
up.
idea. Stop. Bro.
It's the cars I'm worried about, not myself. For my head, it's gonna take like a year, but for my leg, it's gonna take like 3 months, 2 to 3 months, for me to like actually start walking again, like doing active. They said I can't like get knocked in the head one more time. They said if I do, I'll probably die, but yeah, they said even like a basketball hitting my head can like make me brain dead. But so I'm trying to be very careful.
We already ordered some stuff online and it's in the car.
Okay, there's stuff in the car, but we're getting a bunch of stuff here. Wait till you see this room makeover. He is going to flip out.
It's so nice. I've seen his hair and it is not good, so I think I should get him some hair products to help out.
We're already 30 minutes behind our schedule.
I kind of just want to heal, and then once I'm fully healed, I'll go back to like my old ways, like of everything I used to do. For now, I'm trying to heal as fast as I can. So more rest, more healing. I feel like being safe is like #1 thing, or else like you could end up in a place that you don't want to end up. So I could have ended up paralyzed in that crash easy.
I really like this color, but it needs a little something more.
We got a bunch more stuff that's in the car. Wait till you see everything we're gonna do for his room.
Time to surprise Nidal.
If I knew about it, I would do everything differently. I would be much more careful of my surrounding. I would not ride on the roads like that. I would watch out for cars like extremely. Like, I do want to get another electric thing, but I have to wait like a long time for that. I need to be very careful. So I'm definitely wearing a helmet next time.
We printed a bunch of amazing photos to go on Nidal's wall. Oopsies.
And now it's time to go surprise Nidal.
I'm so excited to see him. Are you that?
Yes, I can't wait.
I can't wait. He doesn't know we're doing the room makeover.
The plan is Salish is going to distract Nadal all day with various challenges and fun things while I and Gigi are doing the room.
I've never been to Nidal's house before.
We're at Nadal's house right there, but he is in the other side of the house, so he has no idea we're here. Salish is going to sneak in there. She's going to surprise him, but some of us are going to go in the back way, start doing the room. He has no idea we're doing the room.
Come on.
This is Nadal's dad.
Hello.
Are you guys okay?
Yes.
Yeah, oh my God.
Thanks, God.
Oh my God, it's so scary.
It was a miracle.
We are now here to make his day.
Will be the best thing ever happened to him.
Has he been getting a little frustrated by not being in his room?
Yes.
Well, let's cheer him up, at least for one day.
He will made it up. Thank you so much, guys.
He has no idea that
Right
we're
here
here.
in the living room. He has no idea.
Salish is going to walk in and surprise him.
Yes.
But then we have to go around the back to sneak into the room.
We have a letter.
Pull up right now.
Salish and Nadal are in that room, and right over here is Nadal's room that we're going to make over. We have to somehow keep Nadal on that side of the house all day while we do his room on this side. We are going to make this room into the most epic room, and he's going to be so excited.
How are you?
I thought you just snapped me in LA.
I did.
How'd you get here so fast?
Came last night.
Oh, that makes sense.
Is that where you've been sleeping?
Yeah, it was in my room back there, but they had to take it out because they're painting it in my room.
Oh, are you excited to move back in?
Yeah, so that's what I've been waiting for.
Nadal is still exhausted from his time in the hospital, and he's not supposed to get too excited while he's recovering, so Salish is being very chill today. Once he recovers, they'll be back to playing tag in no time.
Nadal is right there. He is so excited to get back into his room, but he has no idea we're making it all over right now, right in here. We are so close and he has no clue. These are awesome photos. These are photos I took of him that he's gonna love, that Salish picked out. Here's the frames. Every time you see us talking, we should be whispering. If we're not whispering, comment because we're gonna give it away. There we go. He's gonna like that one. Oh. Nadal is Salish's best friend. She wanted to do this right, so we're doing it right. He already got an iPad, but then it broke, so we got him another one because he likes to do art on it.
I don't know how he hasn't figured it out yet. I can literally hear them from here. They're making so much noise.
How's it going?
Why are you not distracting him?
Okay, here, I got you.
Salish, we got this. You gotta distract.
Dad, you have to make this good, okay?
I'll make it good, but you have to keep him
You
distracted.
have to make it good. Okay, you got that.
We haven't even gotten to the big things yet. Gigi has been really sweet. I don't know if you've been following her Instagram, but you've been at his side this whole time, right? Like just
I stayed every night in the hospital.
She went from in school to online just to be with him all day. In a crazy way, this has kind of brought everyone closer together. Now we somehow have to keep him over there. He's just been dying to get into his room. What he doesn't realize, he's gonna get into a brand new room with everything he's ever wanted in it.
All right, Salish, since you're here, what should we do? Because like,
I have so much fun things to do. Come on, let's go.
okay. Wait for me.
I think he's always wanted a refrigerator in his room. Actually, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Shh. Apparently, Nadal likes plushies.
How many things did you get this kid?
We went a little overboard. Last week, Hudson transformed Salish room into 7-Eleven. That didn't go over so big.
Hudson, what did you do to my room?
So now we're giving all of that candy to Nadal. There you go. You can have one.
I'll take all of it, actually. Can we put this in my room?
Oh, wow. I look great for 40.
40? More like, more like
Just beep every time she says, just beep it. Beep. And we're blurring your mouth too, so you can't even see what you're saying. Beep. I'm 40 years old. 40.
I actually got you some clothes from Target. I'm gonna go get them.
What? Okay. What are the chances she got me baby clothes? Let's be real.
Where are the clothes?
They're in there. Why are you not with Nadal? Why are you not?
I need the clothes.
why is she practicing sneaking in Needle's room?
Dude. You gotta get back. He's gonna come out looking for you.
It's fine. I got you, Dad.
Okay. Oh,
Dad, his lips are so dry. I told you that would be good to get.
just, Salish, just tell him that I'm somewhere else, okay? So he doesn't. Salish!
Oh, sorry. Okay, Needle, I got you some clothes.
A lot of clothes. I thought you were gonna bring me back baby clothes or something.
Because your lips are dry.
Thank you.
Just keep that. First, we got you this Spider-Man robe.
Is that a robe?
Yeah,
That's actually cool.
I know it is.
Oh, that is comfy.
Some pajamas, because you're gonna be in bed for a while. Here's the shirt, the matching shorts,
These look like kids'
and
shorts.
then the pants. They go with it. Then,
Thank you.
Of course. Then we got this.
No way.
He has that shirt. You sure we're gonna be matching now?
Look at this. How cute. Salish printed up a bunch of photos of them together and she's gonna hang them on the wall.
That looks like me at formal, so I don't think that that's a friend's moment right there. Just saying.
The shipping thing's over. Ask him. It's done.
No, stop. You're gonna break a hip.
You don't break a hip unless you're old, most likely. She's calling me old. Okay, actually, this is a little hard. Okay.
What do you think about this hoodie? You know what? It's gonna look great on you. Here, put it on.
That would look good. Oh.
Nisha, do you want to help? I don't want to hurt his head. It's what every day is like.
Yeah, it kind of sucks.
That looks good.
Wait, should I put the hood on?
Perfect.
My hair look bad.
No, it looks good. Look.
They're taller than me now because I have to bend down.
Yay!
Guys, don't worry, I'm taller than Salish. I just have to bend down on one knee.
Actually, I think you're still taller than me. I think I got to 5 foot.
I'm 5'2". Thank you for the clothes.
Of course.
Who's outside in this house?
Oh, I think it's just your dad. I'll be right back. I'm gonna throw this away.
Okay.
You put this in the bag.
What is it?
I don't know. Oh, can I have that? I need Sal's hair. Or the hairspray.
That's not hairspray.
Yeah, it is. It's fine.
I promise you.
I've got the next activity.
Is that for my hair?
No.
What's it for?
Maybe your hair. Is that her?
Just this side. Everything else on this side is good. But the back right here does hurt a little bit.
Got some texture. Maybe like a little comb over. Okay, there we go. Dang, it's long.
What is that? Hairspray? Oh no, is that gonna stiff my hair?
Just a little. Now style how you like it.
You know what bulking is?
You eat a lot to get strong. Were you bulking?
I was bulking for a month. And then I got in the crash and I lost 5 pounds and I got skinny.
Oh yeah, you can't work out. Do you still have a 6-pack?
Yeah, I just have a 6-pack still.
Okay, great.
I'll never lose that.
Okay, yeah, that would be really bad. Like the whole world would end.
Cute old duck sign, yeah.
Yes, Jordan. These are eating it up.
Could you guys please be quiet? We're getting nothing done. There's one person working, it's Dell, quietly working, while the rest of us are just doing Snapchat. You know what? Bye. Okay, this has been.
You want to fight?
This has been good. Thanks so much. Bye. Why is this so hard? Oh, there's a rug setting, isn't there?
Yes.
All right, so maybe vacuuming isn't my thing, but
I wasn't built for lifting.
I think they can hear us. So now it'll keep it quiet. They painted a few hours ago. This is quick dry paint, so it's almost dry, but we might end up getting a little something on our bodies. I'm gonna show you one of the photos of Nadal that Salish picked out. That's kind of awesome. Anybody comment which video did this photo appear in?
Now it's time to play a game. You're in charge of reading the instructions and I'll build it. This one goes like that.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Twist it?
Yeah, twist it into there.
Okay.
Here, like this. Yeah. If you lose, you have to push me around my wheelchair.
Okay, but if you lose, you have to play the next game with me. I cannot get this. It doesn't work.
I give us a 10% chance of keeping this a secret all day.
Oh!
No!
I got it.
You got one?
Yeah.
How did you do it? Okay, Needle is winning, so I have to get one.
Oh, I got it.
No.
Oh, you hit it one more time just to. I won.
How do you do it?
I won. Okay. All right, let's go for my walk.
Oh, you look so funny, Nugs. One sec, Needle. I have to go get something.
Okay.
Dad, you have to act like you're not here because we're about to go on a walk.
Which way? Out the front?
Yes. Also, Dad, you're being really loud. We can hear the drill. Okay, Needle. Are you ready for a walk? Here, can you guys pick him up or something?
Yeah, we're
He's coming. Hi. Put the ladder down. Just down low.
Wait, damn, there's so many cars in the front.
Ooh. Yeah.
What the heck? Bro, look, it looks like we're throwing a house party with these cars.
Hold both of these. Make sure he doesn't hit too many bumps.
Okay.
Salish, do you like lemons?
Sure.
Do you like oranges?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll like these then. It's like a mix.
Go that way.
Guys, it's okay. At least I have my phone. I won't let him go, guys. Don't worry.
The accident happened right over there.
Really?
Right there.
You can see it from.
So, like, you just left the house, Needle.
Yeah. All right, Salish, since I won, can you pick me a lemon? You can get any, just a big one.
Oh my God, they're right there. Okay.
Ow.
Are you good?
No.
It's a sour orange.
Of everywhere in the world to be, why do they have to be right there? Look.
Wait, try one. It's just really sour. Be careful. Let me see.
That is not an orange, Needle.
It's a sour orange.
It's low-key good.
These are all broken. Yeah, they're all broken.
Should we close the window?
Yes, close the window.
Wait, but have you tried it with salt?
With salt.
Yeah, let's go get salt. It's
Okay.
so good. Trust me, you're gonna want to.
I think we dodged that bullet. We can get back to work, but we can't drill yet, and we can't be above the window.
Sprinkle it.
Oopsies.
You're gonna get salt in the sugar.
It's so good. Try it. Like sprinkle it on. It's sour, but it's so good.
It's good with salt. Let's continue our walk.
All right.
I actually forgot your phone.
Oh.
BRB.
Oh. Okay.
Dad, we're on a walk right now.
Stall.
Okay, I got you. Let me see how it looks. Dad, it's a little messy.
Why'd you bring him to the thing right next to
I didn't try to.
We were
They all just
hiding on the
came.
floor for 30 minutes.
Oops, my bad. See ya. Thank you.
She's not helping.
Yay, finally.
Have you been on your daily walk today yet?
Nope.
Salish is taking Nadal for a walk, which gives us a chance to get his PC set up, to be loud, to drill things. We don't have much time. This is great because I've been tired of whispering.
We're gonna do a Q&A.
Oh, yeah, okay.
First, let's take a selfie
Okay.
and wait for people to respond.
Now that Nadal's outside, can we go get his bed?
No.
So right now we have to get his PC. Will he notice that that's gone?
No.
We could get his bed now, but if we do, he'll come back in, he'll see the bed is gone, he'll realize his room is almost done, and we don't want him to know that, because we want it to be a huge surprise. Okay, so we can get his gaming setup going. He's been recuperating with nothing to do, lying in a bed in the living room, and he's been waiting and waiting, but he doesn't know it's gonna be done today.
What's the one thing you're looking forward to doing once you're all better?
Going for runs, going to the gym, jumping on a trampoline. I'm just watching everyone walk and I'm so jealous.
Ever since Salish told me that she wanted to do Nidal's room makeover, I've been trying to keep him out of here, and it's been so difficult. He's so stubborn. He wants back in here, and he thinks he's gonna have to wait a whole nother week. What he doesn't know is that he's moving in here tonight.
Are you gonna go see/visit Nidal and see how he's doing anytime soon?
Well, I'm already with him,
I'm gonna respond that and be like, we're together.
Every time I get one together, it starts falling. Okay, I'm done with this.
What are you doing?
We're gonna go get new ones. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Where are we going?
Target.
I'm not going to Target. I got Gigi, he's gonna be back any minute. We gotta go.
Hurry, Jordan. We don't have time.
Do you have a crush?
No.
No. How's Nidal? I'm doing all right. Go, 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 go. Like fast, 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 go. Yeah, see? You.
Perfect.
What was it like when Nidal got into his accident? What happened?
I got a call from my mom, and she was like, oh, Nidal got hit by a car and his face is split open. That was her words, and I got so scared. She was like rushing, that they were going to the hospital. I thought he he died. Like that was my first instinct. Oh my God. And I got like this pit stomach feeling, and I was like, oh my God, like that's all I could think. I was like freaking out, and then I had my brother come pick me up like immediately, and I was crying because I thought my brother died. My mom was like texting the group chat that Nidal was about to go into brain surgery. I was like terrified, and I was like crying. I texted him like 50 billion times just so when he got his phone back, like I can pull up how many messages I sent him when Nidal was unconscious in the hospital. And I was like, Nidal, I love you. I hope you're okay. I love you so much.
Don't smell like anything. Oh, there are pretty flowers over there. Your neighborhood is so pretty.
Why are we here?
We're finding 3 frames.
We gotta find 3 frames and hurry up because Nidal is gonna be back any minute.
Why does he need a fridge, Salish?
You can put snacks in it, drinks, and whatever you want.
So then he has no excuse to leave his room?
Yep, that's exactly what a kid wants.
This one's for you. What was your reaction to finding out what happened?
The night that you got hurt, I was on the FaceTime with one of my friends, and I was saying, what if Nidal got hurt, just randomly?
Oh, you actually did say that?
Yes.
Really? You actually said that? What the heck? What a coincidence.
No more crisis, we found the frame.
Why didn't you see Nidal in the hospital?
I wanted to. You were like in a coma or whatever. You wouldn't even know that I was there.
Okay, so you can stop with the excuses. I know you had gymnastics.
Yeah, I had school and gymnastics.
Yeah,
and I couldn't
I know.
miss it. I had 2 big tests for school.
Tests is more important.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Are you worried about me?
Yeah, I am. Well, I was. Now you're chilling.
Are you and Nidal still friends? Because on TikTok, people are saying that Nidal doesn't remember you. Like what? Like, why would people make
Nidal,
assumptions
do you remember
like that?
me?
No, I don't. This video is gonna clear up so many people's questions.
I remember. I texted you, and like 2 of my friends texted you, and you were being so nice. I knew you were on medication. You were like, aw, thank you so much. Your mom texted me, and she was like, I saw you guys were texting, but don't believe everything he says. If I wasn't here, what would be the best thing right now?
I'd probably be playing video games.
Do you have a PS5?
We had one. Nishan was trying to fix it and he took it apart. He couldn't put it back together. Oh my God, are you and Nidal friends?
Yep.
Bro,
No,
what?
we don't like each other.
Nah, not like you just came to my house and pushed me around in my neighborhood in my wheelchair.
We hate each other actually.
Yeah. Are you two dating? No, we're not. Isn't Nidal feeling better? Yes, I'm feeling much better than when I was in the coma.
I'm glad.
Go.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Everybody, I just got a text that Salish and Nidal are coming back, and we gotta hide these because he knows he doesn't have black curtains. Shh, we gotta be quiet. We have so much work to do.
Come here. Hi, Credo. Hi.
Come here.
Aww. This is the living room. Since Nidal's hurt, he's been sleeping here. How do you like it?
I do love it. All the pillows are comfortable, the bed's comfy, it's very warm. But the one thing I hate is that it's in the living room. Everybody's annoying me. Salish, remember the clothes you got me?
Yeah.
Okay, well it's getting kind of hot, so I'm gonna go change
it's
the
getting really hot, okay?
Nishan!
You know the drill.
Yep. Weakling.
I'll have him back, Shay.
Oh, hello.
How's it going?
Great.
Let's spray a little disinfectant spray, guys, because...
Oh my, Salish!
What?
The spider bros are back.
Okay, that's actually such a good outfit.
Right?
I'm so proud of myself. Wow, you do look really skinny.
Hey, I'm lucky. You might not be so lucky. Wear a helmet.
It's all starting to come together. We're hanging a track here. We're starting to move things in. We're gonna build a projector. We're gonna have a screen here. We're gonna bring the bed in here. We've got these pictures hanging. This is a lot to do before he figures it out, but this is gonna be awesome.
Tried to get him to fall asleep, but he doesn't want to take a nap, so I have to keep on entertaining him. Let's do this pancake art.
I'm doing red because I'm making a broken heart.
And I'm doing blue and yellow.
Ugh.
Okay, I'm gonna make a flower.
I'm gonna put one broken heart piece on one side and the other on the other, and then I'm gonna fill it in with the regular pancake colors.
Right now I'm just making petals for a flower. Mine looks so bad.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Even when he's in a wheelchair with a broken leg and in a lot of pain, they still find ways to make each other laugh.
We're having a little bit of an issue with the projector. It's too big for the image.
This is how you zoom, you go back and forth.
Things are going wrong today. No chance.
Let's take a nap.
Okay, go take your nap. Okay, let me go get you a pillow. Okay, good night. I'm gonna go use the bathroom really quick.
All right.
You don't see your nap. This is perfect. We can finish everything before he wakes up.
I'm gonna show you something Nadal always has on his wall in his room wherever he lives. That.
Aww.
So I think this Salish wall that I'm putting together is gonna be equally exciting for him. Nadal is taking a nap, and by the time he wakes up, we're gonna have to be ready to show him the room, or else he's just gonna walk in here. I know it. This is what Salish picked. 3 flipping photos to hang big over his bed. So I just heard Nadal's voice.
Nadal's trying to get it.
I know. Okay, we gotta hurry. Okay, look.
So good.
We need to do one last thing. You need to take him out of the living room so we can get the bed and bring it in here. You just need to come up with a reason. I don't care, just take him out. The last thing we have to do is somehow get the bed that Nadal's currently sitting on into this room without him realizing we got it.
All right, Nadal, we're gonna go on a walk with Kratos.
Do we have to?
Yeah, come on, Kratos needs his walk.
Try to catch up with his speed. Oh, wow.
When he comes back, is he gonna notice that his bed is missing? I don't know how long she's gonna be able to stall Nadal, but we gotta do this quick. All right. We have to hurry because once he sees that his bed is gone, he's gonna be coming rushing back here, whether or not he has to get off that wheelchair. So we're about ready to do the reveal. This looks amazing. I think he's gonna love it. I cannot believe we got through this whole thing without Nadal knowing that we were doing it. He was right there the whole time.
Hello?
Come back right now, the room is ready.
Okay, coming, bye.
Like, come right now.
Okay, love you, bye. Okay, Nadal, walk's over, let's go.
I'm gonna hide so Salish and Nadal can experience.
Wait, why is my bed out?
No reason.
They've been making noise all day. They've been back there. They have
What noise?
I just
Come on,
want to
let's
know.
go.
Okay, let's go.
They're right here.
3, 2. Your new room.
No way. This is so cool. Wait.
Do you like it?
Yes, I got it. Oh my God. How do you guys know what I like? How did you guys know I wanted PlayStation VR?
Get better soon, Nadal. But until then, you got an awesome room.
Thank you.
Of course.
Oh, thank you so
I hope you like
Whoa,
it
this
because
is
now
so
you have
pretty.
like somewhere to recover. I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
Nadal, what do you think was happening all day?
I could not tell you. I had no idea.
There's one more thing.
What? Oh, that's sick.
Then you can turn off the lights on the projector.
I knew they were just friends.
Turn this off. Can someone turn this off?
Give the bed to my flip, give the girl in my shit. First it was funny, now I think I'm falling. But I'm only 11, but you're my heaven. I don't know what love is, but I think this is it. 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 But I think this is it.
I've been keeping a big secret from you guys, and I'm so excited to finally tell.
You're running late. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Wait, I really want to.
I know, but not now. You're
Okay.
about to be able to tell them, but just go
Okay.
inside
Thank
right
you.
here.
Okay, come here. Let me give you a quick show. Okay. Anyways, what I wanted to say.
Salish, you are running late. Where are you, little girl?
Wait, you're good to go. Okay, thank you.
Come on, Salish.
You guys can hear me, right?
I don't know. You're running late. Let's go. Right here.
What?
Right
Okay.
here. Grab some food.
Okay, thank you so much.
I don't think they can hear you, by the way. Tell them again.
Okay.
You can't tell them the secret with your mouth full.
All right. Anyways, what I was wanting to say is that.
my turn to say my lines yet?
Oh no, not yet. Sorry.
Delivery for Salish.
Hey Salish, I came to surprise you on your big day.
You know what? Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, thank you, I guess.
Wait, so I actually came to surprise you because I heard that you're dropping.
No, you can't say it. I haven't told
Hey
him
Salish,
yet.
congrats.
Oh, thank you, Kato.
Whoa, no, get out of here. That's my best friend.
What are you doing? I can't do that. No,
Hey,
no.
Boys, let's go. Okay, guys, I need to tell you this because I've been thinking about this so much. Whoa. Okay, anyways, guys, I need to tell you this right now. Ben?
I built a secret room on set and I filled it with.
Wait, I haven't told them yet. All right, Anyways, guys, now I need to tell you because this is taking forever. So let me just tell you right now.
Right in.
Rowan, please, I need to tell them
No,
right
you're
now.
running late. Still running late to set. Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I know. Have you told me? No, not yet. Thank you.
Is it my turn to talk
No,
yet?
not yet. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Oh, thank you guys so much. Okay, guys, I've been working for months on this, and I'm so excited to show you because it's like... Alright, stop! Thank you. Okay, no more distractions. I'm gonna tell you guys what this is all about.
Salish, hurry, come on, let's go, we gotta go. Wait, she hasn't told you about it yet, are you kidding? It is so cool. Salish, come on, let's go, hurry.
Okay, guys, I actually promise you that I'll tell you what the secret is. Let me just get this shot.
Go, yeah, let's go.
All right, so
Seriously, where this looks so pretty.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I love this so
I got my
much.
camera, please. Thank you so much. Oh man, the lighting looks great. This is gonna be awesome. Salish, are you ready? All right, this looks great. Can we stop on the lights, please? Oh my, this is gorgeous. I love the fan. The fan is killing. That is so good. Okay, Salish, now grab Sincerely Yours and we will do one final shot. This is gonna be so cool. All right, Salish, are you ready? This is beautiful. Yes, queen. Yes, we got the shot. That is so good, Salish. You can finally tell him.
Finally, guess what? I'm releasing Sincerely Yours. It's my brand new skincare line available exclusively at Sephora on September 6th. It's made for teen skin, it's super fun to use, and most importantly,
It's dermatologist approved.
seriously, you guys are gonna love Sincerely Yours. It's so good and you have to try it. Bye!
Today, my daughter Salish and I prank each other for 24 hours. The first person to quit loses, and the winner gets the new Matter Cup.
Today we're doing father versus daughter prank wars, and my dad thinks he's about to come into the salon and get his regular haircut. This is Joel. He's been cutting my dad's hair for years, so he's not gonna suspect anything. Are you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
We've been in cameras all over the salon. My dad knows that we're doing a prank video today, and he has no idea that it's actually starting right now.
Jordan, what's up, buddy?
How you doing?
Good. You want some coffee?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm gonna make him a really special coffee.
What are you guys up to?
We are filming a video today. Actually, we're doing prank wars. We're gonna prank each other, and then whoever quits loses. So Mr. Beast decided our cup wasn't big enough, the trophy.
So he sent us a bigger trophy with a bunch of money inside.
And so whoever lasts longer today wins.
How do you think you're gonna do?
I've planned out some actually great pranks. We're filming in like an hour.
Okay, amazing. Let me grab your coffee. Oh man.
Hey.
Let's see how my dad reacts, okay? He just tried the coffee.
Oh, dude.
I made it sweet. It's too sweet?
No, it's got like. No, do you have water? That's like.
Yeah.
I think maybe there was like a spice in there or something. No way.
There's a little water.
Oh.
Do you have any idea what he's gonna do to you?
Bro, he's so bad at pranks. It's gonna be so obvious, and there's no way he's gonna be able to prank me.
I don't know about that because, like I said before, I have some great plans for today.
Dad!
You want to come on over? I'll get you shampoo.
Yeah. You know, first thing in the morning, you don't expect like like a spice.
Relax.
Oh man, this is my favorite part of the haircut right now.
His eyes are covered.
Let's go.
He's gonna be so bad.
What was that?
It's my assistant.
Oh. Ow. Did you just kick me? Sorry. Dude, Joel.
Yeah, it's a great conditioning treatment. It's gonna make your hair feel so good.
Oh, great, thank you. Joel, my first prank on Salish is gonna be epic.
Hey, Dad. Hey.
What happened?
Well, the prank wars have begun, and the first person to quit loses.
What?
Ready?
Salish? Oh my God! Oh my God, what?
Dad, do you want to quit?
No, because I've got a good one for you.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. Okay, Salish really surprised me with her first prank, but what she doesn't know is that a bunch of people are waiting at a restaurant to do an embarrassing prank on her next. Joel! Oh my God, that's bad.
Dad, don't go pink.
Joel, dude, what is going on? Just tell me, is this permanent or temporary?
I mean, it will come out eventually.
Okay, but Dad, don't worry. I have a plan for you, so just come over. Just sit right over here.
Oh my, was this filming me the whole time right here? This thing?
When I was thinking of this prank, I thought that for the rest of the day you wouldn't want to have pink hair. So I got you a little something. Okay, she's gonna go like, look at that. Whoa, you have hair. Wow, smile.
No.
Do you want to quit, Dad?
What are you doing with the photo?
Are you sure you don't want to quit?
No, I don't want to quit. I have pranks planned for you. I'm not going to quit. Salish, you're about to get pranked worse than your worst nightmares. Salish, that is so embarrassing.
Now I'm embarrassed, so let's go. And all done.
What did you do?
Oh.
I really hope this washes out. I am not, under any circumstances, going to give up today. Watch this. Salish took her own car, and I think I got a 5-minute head start, but I have to set this prank real quick before she gets here. I've been working on this prank for a week. Hope it lands. I rented out this entire restaurant and hired all the people here in order to prank Salish. She has no idea what she's about to walk into. But first, I need to rehearse with my actors. Salish is on her way here, but I have a few minutes to rehearse with you guys to make sure that we get this right. We're doing prank wars, which means she knows I'm bringing her in here and she's assuming she's going to get pranked. She doesn't know you're all plants. So the embarrassing part is this is happening in front of strangers. All right, so I'm sitting here and then Salish is like blah, 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 blahing. I will just say, Salish, I love you so much. And when you guys hear that, you know what to do. Hey, little girl.
Hey.
You hungry?
Yeah?
Good.
Wait, no?
You're gonna go right this way. What are you worried about? It's just lunch. Hey, you can sit right there, say, thank you so much. Thank you. What are you looking at?
Just looking around.
Listen, if you're freaked out by this, you can just quit.
Is this one of your pranks?
Maybe. You caught me off guard and we started before I knew. I was gonna just have a little lunch and set up my pranks later.
So why do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras on us?
Oh, well, because, we're making a video today and not every place I take you is gonna be a prank, right? So obviously, there's people filming you, but we're keeping it really chill with the phones so the rest of the customers don't realize that we're filming. I was just curious, did you bring like another set of clothes or no?
I didn't?
No? Okay.
Why is he bringing 3 watercolors?
Sorry. Here we are. One for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One for you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you. This is a restaurant. You think I would do that?
Yeah.
Salish has been very suspicious and knows a prank is coming, but she has no idea the whole restaurant is going to be in on it. Cheers to the prank war. Whoever lasts longer wins the new Beast Matter Cup.
Okay.
Have your water.
What's in it?
Nothing. I'm just kidding. Didn't work. I thought getting pink hair was bad, but what Salish has in store for me next might be even worse. What is going on, Say? Oh! Are you ready to order? Why don't you look at the menu, see what you want?
I'm not really hungry.
You know what? I'll just get you pasta.
Hello.
We're ready to order.
All right, what can I get for you?
Can we just get 2 bowls of marinara pasta, please?
Sure.
Well, I would love some extra tomato sauce.
All right, copy.
No.
What?
Something's off about him.
No, he's awesome. Hey, okay, all right. You gotta make Salish think that you are going to spill stuff on her every time you get close to her. Just freak her out.
All right, I got you.
If you actually spill something on her, not the worst thing in the world, but I'll probably get in a lot of trouble for a long time.
All right, got it.
We got the big prank at the end. He seems like a really nice guy.
Well, every time he walks by, Sandy's like,
Sandy is over there chilling with just a phone so nobody else notices that we're filming. So if you win and you get all the money that Jimmy gave us, what are you gonna do with it?
I know what I'm gonna do with it.
You gonna get me a present?
No.
How's my hair look?
I'm embarrassed to be here with you.
Are you? I'm having a great time. Like, I'd love to have lunch with you. Wow, they use a lot of whipped cream here. What are you so nervous about? Look, it was just for them. That looks delicious. You guys do a special whipped cream pie?
Oh, we do. You can order a pie and we can put on a whole can of whipped cream. That's what we're known for.
Thank you. Maybe we'll have that for dessert.
No, I'm okay.
Oh, looks like dinner's coming.
And So, there you are, and there you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Enjoy,
you
guys.
so much. It looks delicious. So far, nothing's happened. What?
Is there something in there?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Salish, I love you so much.
Everybody shipping us, do we ship too? Everybody shipping us, you wanna know what's true? Everybody shipping us, maybe we're just friends. Everybody shipping us, gotta wait until the end. Wait, play the music, play the music. Everybody shipping us, do we ship too? Everybody shipping us, wanna know what's true? Hey, everybody shipping us, maybe we're just friends. Everybody shipping us, gotta wait until the end. Hey, my name is Nido, my name is Salish. I'm good. Everybody shipping us, gotta wait until the end. Get out here, bro.
In case you're wondering why my hair is so bright, it's because off camera, Salish just sprayed it again. No, actually, don't do it anymore. No, we're good. You know what? I'm gonna keep going because it doesn't matter, because the end of this day, I have the best prank I've ever played on her. I'll say it and say it's the best prank ever. Doesn't matter how many times I say it, because it will earn the build-up. Believe me, wait till the end. So next, what are you gonna do?
You'll see.
Say, what? I know, we have a Sincerely Yours card. What is this? What is going on, Say?
You'll see.
I'm not gonna quit because my last prank is too good. Salish, what are we even doing?
You'll see.
This is not. Wait, no. A car wash?
Yeah. Dad, if you don't want to go to the car wash, you can quit.
I'm not quitting.
Okay.
Do you have an extra one of these parkas? Like for me?
What did you just call it?
A parka, this thing, whatever.
Poncho.
Okay, poncho. Do you have an extra poncho for me? You don't?
I know.
Why are you putting on goggles?
You'll see.
Whoa. Salish, dude.
Quit.
What the frick? Oh gosh, no! Oh!
You can quit, Dad.
Yeah, I'm not quitting. Whoa, what are you? Oh, you're just hiding back there.
I'm so wet.
You're wet. Your hair. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow, I hated that.
You hated that.
Look at how wet my hair and face got.
Are you kidding? Did she just complain about her hair? Her hair.
I don't know where that soap is from. They should use Kindly Clean in there.
Look at what she's done to me already after only 2 pranks today.
At least you're clean.
The hair is starting to leak. I'm taking a shower, then I'm going on to my next prank. Team Jordan, I'm winning the Matter Cup this time. So I showered and the pink hair came out, so thank you for not making it permanent.
Why are we back at the Chinese theater?
Oh, you'll find out. I just want you to know, you can quit and then this will be over.
Okay. I don't know what my dad's about to surprise me with now, but I already have his next prank in the works.
Just look around.
Wait, what? I'm scared.
You should be scared.
No.
Salish, why don't you turn around and look up in the air?
Dad, what are you doing?
Chinese theater has it up there, but it's digital and it can be removed. I will text somebody and they will take it down, but you quit. If you quit, otherwise this is up all week, or quit and it comes down. You ready? I'll just text it. It's digital, it can go away. Salish, that is so embarrassing.
You know what? I do love you. I love my dad. I love my dad.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, but now I'm embarrassed, so let's go.
Wait, that was actually kind of sweet though. Colin, she just said she loves me, right?
She did.
Like she said it loud. Can you replay that for everybody?
I love my dad.
Okay, I guess on the next prank that didn't work, but how? I thought for sure she'd quit.
I staged an entire play just to prank my dad. We invited a bunch of subscribers to come fill the theater. The entire audience is in on it. Okay, come on, Dad.
Dude.
Come on, bro.
Oh, I got a handhold.
Watch your step.
What am I? Salish. Okay, Salish.
You put your arms on my shoulders and just walk where I walk. Ah! I can't go.
What was that?
Ah!
What are you doing?
Ah! Okay, never mind. Just walk straight. While my dad and I make our way to the theater, Rowan is coaching the actors on what to do. My dad is about to be part of a super embarrassing play, and he has no idea it's all a giant prank on him. What are you doing? Grab onto the railing.
You're blindfolding me and taking me into what? What are you gonna do?
Now we're gonna take a step inside, right over here. Now you're gonna put this on. Uh-oh, your hair. Okay, now put it on.
What was that?
Shut up!
What the heck was
Nothing.
that?
Shut up. That's so.
Welcome to Fairyland!
Alright, anyway! Now we are gonna put on
What is happening?
the rest of the costume! Alright, we're all ready.
For what?
You'll see. Come on, Dad.
What is going on?
Okay, Dad, spin this way.
Salish, actually, what's going on?
Okay, stay.
What's going on?
Oh, I think we're going to need a champion to help us cross the bridge.
A champion?
Yes.
Come. Quick.
What is happening?
We're in need of a champion.
A champion!
Where's Salish?
A champion right now! Take a look at that right there.
Oh no. I knew I was gonna get. What the heck?
Go, Dad!
Okay. Oh, you're booing me. Oh, you're booing me. Okay, hold on. Did Salish put you guys up to this? Is that what this is?
First he's gonna have to dance, then he's gonna have to sing, then the whole crowd is gonna pie him in the face. Wait, I low-key feel bad, but I told him he could quit anytime he wants, but then I win the Matter Cup.
It's time for a dance battle!
No.
Go ahead, big guy. Your turn next.
I'm supposed to do a dance
Oh
thing?
yeah, you're doing the dance. Dance battle. Go ahead.
This is awkward.
Guys, if you didn't know, my dad used to be an actor, so walking into a stage with no idea what's happening is probably one of his biggest nightmares. But low-key, he's kind of working in the crowd.
Okay, all right. Let's see you try it. You think it's so bad? You want to boo me? You do it.
All right, Cohen, this was not the plan. Why is he bringing people on stage?
Let's see it.
That's pretty good.
I would be so embarrassed if I was him right now. I don't think I've ever been on stage before. Oh, I have been on stage before.
I guarantee you Salish is not ready for the final prank I have for her. Okay, oh yeah, you don't know who Salish is, huh? This is a real show, huh? Okay, this is a setup prank. Hold on, everybody's photo is here except me.
I invited a bunch of you guys to be in the crowd, and I told you guys to pretend that you don't know who my dad is. The plan's kind of not working, guys. My dad doesn't look embarrassed at all. He looks like he's low-key having fun.
We're not done. It's time
Oh, good.
for
We're doing more?
a singing challenge.
My only hope is the pie in the face at the end, and it's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So we need to hurry up so it can happen. Let's lock in. Come on.
All right, what is it, a singing battle? It's
Go ahead, it's your turn.
Hello, my name is Jordan, and you can call me Dad.
Hey, say, it's your dear old dad. I heard your diss track.
Will you sing that one?
Could you sing that for us?
I don't remember the words to that song.
I know it. I do.
Okay, it goes, hey, say.
Oh no. Why did I tell him to sing?
Okay, give me my microphone. Oh, Lord, this is bad. Hey, say, it's your dear old dad. I heard your diss track, and I'm not mad.
I'm so sad. You're leaving my channel. It's a whole lot for me to handle. I love you so much.
Just one thing I want you to know, I'll always be here to watch you grow.
I want you to remember all the memories that we had. Yo, why didn't I just sing for him?
Okay, hold on.
This is the final challenge. Hold that right in front of you.
Oh no.
Princesses,
What is this? No! No! No!
Colin, it's happening.
Okay, no, 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 no! No!
Yes.
That's the target.
We have to get over the bridge.
It's gonna hit the target.
I could quit right now and not get this, but I'm not gonna quit because the last prank on Salish is so good, it's worth enduring this.
What is he creating? Colin, what do you know?
Bro, I genuinely.
Colin, you know something.
Princess, go ahead.
1, 2.
Oh.
I don't know.
They're scared, they don't wanna do it.
Yeah, boo!
Oh, it's not a very fairy thing to do.
No, it's not a very clean thing to do.
Well, maybe someone can help us.
It's not, I want you to think about this.
My dad thought it was only 2 pies, but now everyone gets to buy him.
Hold on, I just want you to think about what you're about to do. You don't have to do You know! More! There's more! That was a great prank from Salish, but just wait to see what I've got planned for her.
Okay, he has to quit now. He's not gonna keep on doing the video with his hair all messed up like that.
Who wants some?
Okay, guys.
How you feeling about it so far?
I got you pretty well.
You got me good, that was a good one.
Yeah.
But now it's my turn.
Okay.
Yep, watch out, could be anywhere. Are you sure you don't want to quit? Because I have some good ones coming up, and I just want to let you know right now you can quit. It's only the Matter Cup. I care more about the Matter Cup than you do anyway.
I mean, I want the money in the cup.
What are you looking at?
Just looking around.
Okay. All right, so you're gonna go in your room now?
Yeah.
Okay, see ya. I'll just make sure you get in safe. I'll just wait for a minute.
Get in safe?
It's totally fine.
What did you do to my room?
Well, first of all, I didn't do it because I've been with you all day, so the team did it, so thank you, team, because the team is Team Jordan. Boom. Do you hate it?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, guess what? I have a team here that will clean all of this right now. All you have to do is quit, and we'll get your room back to exactly the way it was.
Look. 1 photo already.
All right, well, okay. Prank wars continues.
Okay, go shower.
All right, enjoy your room.
Bruh! What are these pictures? These look awful! I just got a paper cut! Ow! What the heck?
You want to quit real quick? Get a lot of paper cuts where you take all the pictures down. Yeah. Prank wars continue, but I'm telling you guys, just wait. Just wait, because I'm not quitting. And the last one, oh, it's my best work ever. Oh, she's gonna quit. Oh, boy, it's gonna be good.
My last one's way better than whatever his last one is. Oh boy, it's gonna be good. That's not my thing. My dad thinks covering my entire room with embarrassing photos is the biggest prank of the day, but if my next prank works, it's going to force him to quit.
What? What are we doing? What are you doing?
It's for the next prank, bro.
Was that the prank? Because it was pretty funny.
Let's go.
No, go in the garage.
Okay. Hi. Okay, guys, she was hiding in here because my dad would never think to look in the sauna. But okay, basically, can you please change into this and then you're gonna be my decoy, okay? Okay. So you're gonna leave the house out of the front door really sneaky, okay? Here, you can use this so that he has your location. And my dad's probably gonna follow you.
Emery, grab your camera. Salish is on the move. Salish just left. Did she tell you where she was going? I think maybe I just saw her leave to do her next prank. So if I follow her, then I can see what she's doing ahead of time and I'll know. Okay. I have her on Find My, so let's see how far she's gotten.
And your boyfriend's at the beach, right? Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna meet up with your boyfriend at the beach and my dad's gonna think I'm meeting up with a boy and we'll see how he reacts. And I'm not sure what he's gonna do. A couple years ago, he probably would have freaked out, but I don't know, we'll see what he does. And make sure to be super suspicious when you leave, but make sure that he can't see your face on the security camera, okay? Okay. Okay.
Emery, come on, come with me. This is how you outthink a kid, right? She's setting something up, she thinks I'm still in the shower.
That was really good. Okay, let's go.
Okay, it looks like Salish is headed to the beach.
I can watch Emery's camera on this phone so I can see whatever my dad is doing.
I have this very strong feeling that she's setting up a prank because we were taking a little downtime. I was showering. I saw her on the security camera leaving, talking to somebody like this. Looked super suspicious. So I'm gonna see exactly what that prank is, and then I'm gonna sabotage it.
I can't believe he's actually falling for this.
Salish is just like chilling by the pier, probably setting up her next prank. She is so close.
I think this is actually gonna work. Okay.
She's right down here somewhere. Do you understand how badly I want to win the Beast Matter Cup? First of all, it's epic. It's a total flex, and it's got money in it. Let's go. By the way, no mean TikToks about Salish pranking me. We're playing prank wars, so obviously we're pranking each other, but I don't care what she does to me because the one I've got next is so good that there's no way she's not gonna quit. Oh my God, right there. Wait, come here. What the heck, actually? I thought she was here to set up her prank, but instead she's here to meet some dude? Who's the dude? So literally, did she just come here to like chill with some dude?
Okay, I'm gonna ask Bella to tell my dad that if he comes up to the decoy, then he's gonna lose.
Okay, I'm pretty sure Salish is playing a prank on me, but there's a chance she's talking to some dude and I don't even know who it is.
Salish wanted me to tell you that you're more than welcome to come meet her new boy. She knows you're following her, but if you go up to her, that means you quit.
Oh, that's good. That's actually good. So if I go up and talk to this guy, I quit and she wins?
Yep.
Or I can just let her be?
Yeah, and let her be a teenager, you know?
You know what? I don't care. I want to meet this kid. You didn't say I couldn't get close, Bella. Let's go.
Okay, wait. He's going.
That's not Salish. I know my kid. Now that I'm close, no way. That's not her. This doesn't count. I didn't lose a round. I'm going up to her because it's not Salish.
Wait, he told her.
No way.
Yes. Wait.
Whoa, you were in the Nadal video. Are you kidding me?
Bro, he knew the whole time.
Nice, you got, no. Nice try. Where's Salish?
Here's your phone back, Colin.
That the best you got, Say? That's the best you got, really?
Wait, your dad's calling.
Bruh, he's just gonna rub it in.
Hey, what's up, Colin? Wow, what a surprise. Listen, give me Salish, please. I know the decoy had her phone. Yeah, you're busted. That was weak.
Bro.
Dude, what? It's not 2020 anymore. I don't care if you're talking to a guy. Why would you think that would freak me out?
I have another really good prank. I just needed that as like an extra prank, you know?
The girl didn't even look much like you, Say. You gotta do better. This is the ultimate prank wars for the biggest Matter Cup in history. You gotta do better than that. Okay, Salish really thought she could trick me with a fake boyfriend and a look-alike at the beach? That prank completely failed. So now I'm taking this prank war up a notch. It's my turn next, and for the next prank, you're gonna wanna wear something nice, so get dressed up.
What do you mean nice? Like a dress?
I go jeans, but whatever you wanna wear, but just know a lot of people are gonna see you.
What does he mean by a lot?
Salish is getting ready and we're about to leave for the Intuit Dome where there will be 20,000 screaming fans to watch Shakira. Salish has no idea that Shakira actually reached out to me and asked if Salish would want to walk with her to the stage in tonight's performance. And I said, yes, she would. But she has no idea it's gonna happen. And she's still that shy kid that you remember from years ago. So she might not be willing to do it. And if not, I win the prank wars. But if she's willing to do it, I'm gonna give her the victory. So let's see what happens.
So, Dad, what are we doing? Do you want to give me a hint?
Well, remember when you used to be shy?
Yeah.
When Salish first started doing videos with me, she was only 8 years old. And she was so shy.
You ready to go?
I don't think I'm ready. I can't do it.
Over the years, I've watched her get more and more brave, step onto bigger stages, and slowly realize that she can handle more than she thinks.
People have made me feel so much more comfortable because I used to be so shy.
But tonight, I'm taking that to a whole new level.
Are you still?
I mean, I don't think so.
Okay, well, we're about to find out.
Wait, I'm scared. I feel like you're tricking me and like you're saying there's gonna be a lot of people and there's like, it doesn't have anything to do with people.
It's gonna be a memory, Say. It's gonna be a memory.
Dad, why are we going to the Intuit Dome?
I don't know.
This is like a huge stadium.
Yep, you've been invited as a special guest
To what?
to a concert, and somebody wanted you to join.
What do you mean?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Now, do we know the person?
Yes. Who have you met that would be performing on a stage in front of 20,000 people?
I don't know.
Well, you're about to find out.
Okay, but how is this a prank?
You'll see. Right now, Salish has no clue why I brought her here, but that's the whole point. Once she sees who we are here for, I'm gonna give her a once-in-a-lifetime choice that will win or lose her the Matter Cup.
Dad, what are we doing at a Shakira concert?
Shakira invited you to the concert.
Really? That's
Yes.
so cool.
That's
Okay,
so sweet.
whoa, how is this a prank?
So she invited you to not only come to the concert, but she wants you to walk to the stage with her in front of all 20,000 people.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking. So you're gonna have to make a decision. If you do it, this is my final prank, and you win the Matter Cup with all the money in it. If you don't do it, I think we're done because then you quit. You make a decision when the concert starts.
I have no idea what I'm going to do. This all sounds absolutely crazy.
All right, Salish, any minute the concert's gonna start, and before it does, they're gonna come get you, take you back to walk up to the stage with Shakira. Look around.
There's like thousands of people here.
Over 20,000, it's a sold-out show. Have you made a decision? You're gonna have to make a decision. Are you willing to walk down the aisle with Shakira and 20,000 people looking at you? Are you still just a little shy and you don't wanna do it?
Guys, what should I do?
Are you ready? Let's go get dressed.
Oh, okay.
Do you guys remember when Salish was little and shy? She wouldn't have even walked up in front of 20 people, and now there's 20,000 of them. Huh?
Yeah.
A few years ago, there was no way I would have said yes to this. Honestly, I'm still nervous, but I've learned that confidence isn't about not being scared, it's about doing things even when you are.
I'm about to find out if I'm gonna win or lose the Masterpiece Cup right now.
All right, here goes nothing.
Salish wins the Matter Cup. You are so cute, actually.
Hey, let's go, I won! Matter Cup is mine again, boom, and I'm gonna be donating all of this money to the charity that Sincerely Yours partners with, Girls Inc. And if you wanna know what happens to my voice, go watch next week's video.
Today, my daughter Salish has only 1 hour to find 10 YouTubers hiding in her school.
Salish, help me! I'm sprinting for my life!
And one of them is a huge surprise.
Everyone has a 10-minute head start on Salish, and she has no idea who's here. If she can't find them all within an hour, I get to finally slime her, and I've been waiting forever to do it.
Okay, I gotta go. You keep talking.
I guess time just started.
Hiders, Salish is coming to get you. Good luck.
How are we gonna hide? I don't know!
I'm gonna be in this library watching everything. Let's watch and see what's happening.
Let's just look over here. I don't know. In the tree? Nope.
I feel like the best idea is to hide in a small space in a contortion pose because she would never find me that way. Maybe I could fit in here. Like this? No way, this is going to work.
All right, let's see. Somebody could be camouflaged maybe, or they could be like wearing the same colors. I gotta be sure to look really well.
I'm watching everything Salish does on this monitor. This is gonna be fun.
Everyone's like expecting me to go in a classroom because it's school. Hopefully this works. I feel like no one's gonna find me up here.
California right now, we're having a heat wave. I don't know if the hiders are gonna last. They might just come out of their spots.
I think I might have found my hiding spot. Let's go!
All right, is anybody in here? Nobody's there.
I can hide right behind this. This is gonna be so good, guys.
All right, well, I'll see you guys on the roof. I might change spots though. I don't know how to feel about this.
Let's go in here.
All right, I'm following you. Sophie, I feel like you're better at hide and seek than me. Find me a good spot.
Let's get in there.
No,
Oh, okay.
This is creepy. It's not open.
We just ran to the roof. Salish is now looking for us.
Maybe in the roof? That would be a perfect place to hide. I can't really open that, so maybe not.
I'm gonna actually show you the best spot. I genuinely believe you can win this.
Okay.
And you know, you've been such a great friend to me, so like, I'm gonna help you out with this, okay?
Yeah, help me, please. I need help.
I feel like you should get in between these.
This is perfect. Thank you, Sophie.
Honestly, I think this is the best spot.
You're sure I can have this spot? You don't want it?
Honestly, you deserve the win. Just want you to win. Okay, good luck. Hide.
Okay, there is no way she's gonna find me. Let's go.
Okay, Ben's got honestly an incredible spot, but I gotta find mine.
Attention hiders.
Whoever is the last person found wins $5,000.
What?
Shout out to Sophie. Thank you for the spot. I'm gonna win this. She's never gonna find me.
And I found you.
I have a surprise to show you guys.
Hey, I can't wait to see Salish.
This is Salish's close friend Peyton, and they haven't seen each other in months. Salish has absolutely no idea Peyton is here, so when she finds her, she's gonna freak out. You good?
Yep.
Bye-bye.
I'm scared of getting caught, but I got this. I'm gonna win. I have the best hiding spot.
In here, but I don't think Salish is gonna find me.
I'm gonna give Salish a series of challenges to make this day even more difficult. Every time I give Salish a challenge, I have to pause the clock so it doesn't count against her time. She has 1 hour total to find all the hiders, or I get to slime her. And you know I've been waiting years to slime this kid. I have to keep it fair, so I'm gonna give the hiders challenges too. Time for the first challenge. Attention hiders. One of you can make $1,000 right now if you call Salish and tell her where someone else is hiding.
What? I can win $1,000?
Wait, I'm not ratting anybody out. I don't want the $1,000. I want the $5,000 by winning this entire video.
Let's see if they give their friends up. Peyton, you think anybody's gonna give up their friends?
No, they wouldn't do that.
We'll see.
I hope somebody calls.
$1,000 for ratting out a friend? I don't think it's worth it.
$1,000? I want $1,000! Zong is literally in the room next to me. Should I rat him out? He did eat my chocolate cake this morning. No, I can't do that to my boyfriend. I literally love him so much.
Yo, see, I may be a squirrel up in this tree, but I ain't no rat.
I didn't see anyone when I was hiding, so I have no one to rat out. Oh my god, do I do it? I literally know where Ben is. I literally hid him there. Oh, no, I can't. I have to be a good friend. But it's $1,000.
Sophie's the only person that knows I'm here, but she wouldn't do that.
Do I give up his location? I feel like I should. No, I shouldn't. It's quite literally $1,000. And plus, we're like all competing.
She wanted me to win. Why would she rat me out?
I have to win this. Ben is just another competitor.
Okay, I'm fine. I'm good. Someone is about to get ratted out, but it's not gonna be me.
Okay, they're calling me.
Oh, she's getting a call. Who would it be?
Hello? Thank you, okay? Okay, let's go.
She's going to get him.
Okay, let's go and see if... Okay, I think this is the gym. I know somebody's here.
What? Who told on me? Who told on me?
I'm really sorry, Ben. Don't hate me after this. Don't hate me.
I see him.
No! No! No!
Ben! 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 Oh my god!
I gotta go!
No!
No! No! No! Salish! Who was it? Was it Sophie? Was it Sophie? Salish?
Ben, just come here!
Who told on me?
I'm not gonna tell you.
I'm leaving then. No, 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 no!
Yes, I got one person.
Oh, he went to a locked door, no.
Someone took $1,000 to tell you where my spot was.
Yep.
That's messed up. It's fine, because I'm pretty sure it was Sophie.
I gotta go keep looking for people.
Yeah.
Next time.
Good luck.
One down, a couple more to go. I got this.
Wow, Finn Aslush already toast. That was quick. Attention hiders.
Oh my god, I feel so bad. I can't believe Ben just got found.
I was really thinking he was gonna make it.
He was gonna win.
Time for the next challenge. Pause the clock. Salish, you need to transform the gym into a hide and seek in boxes location before you can start seeking again.
What? Okay.
Hiders, that task may take Salish 30 minutes. If you want help hiding, there are camouflage makeup artists and hiding accessories in the auditorium.
That's not fair.
First 4 hiders to get there will have an upper hand winning the $5,000.
What?
Or you can stay in your current hiding spot and hope it's good enough. Good luck.
That is not fair that he's giving people makeup artists.
What if there's something really good in there?
My spot is such a good spot. I don't think I want to risk it. I already got the $1,000.
If Salish is finished building the boxes before everybody gets their camouflage makeup done, she will automatically be able to catch them. So everybody's in a rush.
I think I'm gonna risk it. Just gotta make sure no one's out here.
I gotta do it. It's the only way. Oh, shoot. That was close. All right, let's see.
This hiding spot is really uncomfortable. This is the perfect opportunity to find a new spot, so I'm going.
I'm gonna risk it.
Let's go, we're gonna be fast.
I don't want Salish to find me. Let's go.
Oh man, gotta book it.
I need to get to the auditorium.
Kat, what is Zong doing?
There's so
There's not enough stuff for 5. There's gonna be a fight.
I can't believe I have to set up a whole other room with boxes and they just have extra time to hide. Now I'm just gonna try and build these boxes. It's gonna be hard, but whatever.
What is this? This is so cool! This is a living cloak!
Okay, Kat gets the invisibility shield. That's the one I would have picked.
Could you camouflage me?
Yeah, I can camouflage you.
Let's go do it.
Okay, let's go.
That'd be so cool.
Wait, can she paint me too, please?
Only when she's done painting me. Let's go.
It's a terrible deal, but I'll take it. It's whatever I can get.
Let's go.
Wait, what is this? Whatever, I'm taking it. Could you like paint me into the background so I fully blend in?
Yes, I
All
can
right.
paint you.
Let's do it.
Now I'm just gonna put one like that. I'm technically helping the hiders. All they have to do is just sit in one of these boxes and they can probably win. Come on, come on, come on. Hey.
I feel like if you camouflage me into these lockers, that could look so cool. Could you do that?
Yeah. She's never gonna see you.
Yo! I could blend into this over here. This is perfect. What if I blend in with these mannequins?
One's gonna go there, like that. One goes right there, one right there. This looks pretty good.
I got this invisibility shield.
It's kinda hidden.
Really? What's in the bag?
I thought this was a sleeping bag. No way.
It's a costume!
Not just any costume, it's a ghillie suit cat. If I wear this, I can blend into like the nature.
Hair's done, so it's time to get painted. This should look really cool when it's done, though.
We're on the roof.
Yay!
Smart. I'd hide there.
I don't think Salish is gonna come up here.
We got everything we need up here.
Each other.
Yeah!
All right, so I got my white shirt on to hopefully blend in a little bit more, and now it's time for some makeup. What are we starting with?
Bald cap.
A bald cap? Oh man, I guess it's gonna be realistic, but this is gonna look so bad.
All right, so we gotta find a place I can like camouflage with. It's like this wall, there's like way too many dots.
Somebody could be camouflaged into like the mural of the school.
You would have to hit some sort of a like crazy pose. There's no way I'm holding that for more than like 2 seconds. What do we? Yo, this is perfect. No way. I might be the perfect height for this guy right here. Where's the painter, guys? Salish is coming and I do not look like this mural. All right, Anna, how much longer?
We're going as fast as we can, but we're not even close yet.
You gotta hurry up, I'm gonna lose, come on!
Well, that gives me a better chance of winning.
Oh, another classroom. Wait. You think Salish will see me here?
Yeah.
No! Wait, there's a ladder. Should I go up the ladder? I can hide up here and Salish will never find me. Oh, I'm totally gonna win this challenge. Okay, hiding spot. What do you think?
That's really good.
My hiding spot is so good. Look how cool this hiding spot is, guys.
Whoa, look at this. How do I look?
You look green.
Am I cooking?
No.
A tree. How is this?
That's better.
Salish is gonna be here soon. I gotta find something better. I'm seeing green. This is where I belong.
Now we need to finish all the details, so we're putting gray on me like this so I can match the lockers.
Oh, that camouflage looks so good, actually.
While I'm doing this, the hiders are just getting painted with camouflage. I gotta go a little quicker so they don't have as much time.
This is gonna take her forever. She has to set up all these boxes. Salish does not want to get slimed. Peyton, she's gonna be so excited when she sees you.
If I could do this fast enough, I might catch one of them half painted. Can you see me?
Yes.
Ow.
Salish, you are never gonna find me. I'm gonna be the winner of this challenge. You will look at this mural over here and have no idea which part's the painted part and which part's me.
They gotta hurry up or they're gonna run out of time on this makeup.
Some there, one right here, one right there. This is gonna be so easy for the hiders. They're so lucky.
We're gonna hide before Salish gets here. It's time for me to officially cook. I'm definitely gonna win this challenge. Let's go.
Perfect. I wonder if I get to tackle them like last time. That would be fun. 10 hours later. All right, Dad, look, I'm all done setting up all these boxes. Can I please find them yet? It's really about time. Like, I need to start looking.
She's done already? Okay. Attention, hiders.
Yes! Can finally try and find them.
Oh my God, Salish is on the move. Oh, this is terrifying.
I just heard some. I thought that was a person. That jump scared me so bad. I really gotta hurry. All right, I'm gonna try and look at some of the classrooms. Anyone here? Let's check 107. And I found you. Never mind. That's embarrassing. Okay, we really gotta hurry because I have like no time and I need to win. That would be a terrible place to hide. Boo! Nobody's there. All right, my dad's in there, but let's go check this hallway. No one here. Whoa, I've never been on stage. All right,
Guys, it's been a while. I'm hearing a lot of things.
Time for the next challenge. Attention hiders, each one of you has to go do a selfie with a green background. I'm helping you out, Salish.
I'm literally surrounded by green stuff. This challenge is way too easy.
Green, green, green. There is not green anywhere to be found. There's everything but green in here.
Salish, go, go, go. Go start looking for people. Everybody has to leave their hiding spots and go get a selfie with a green background. You gotta go out there and do a selfie. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Get a selfie with green and come back. Make sure she doesn't catch you.
With green? This tree is green? Does the tree count?
Yes, but make sure the tree's in the background. Okay, go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Close it, close it. That was so scary.
I really want to surprise Salish, but I want to wait.
Take a picture with green. Okay, we did it. Back to my hiding spot.
This is kind of green, but it's like a little turquoise. I have no idea where Salish is, but there's green over there. I think I'm gonna go outside. I really hope I don't get caught right now. Okay, I found green. So now I need to get back to my spot. Let's go. Are you serious? The door is locked. What am I gonna do? I need to be quiet because she can't find me. I don't know where to go. I think there's another door. Let me check.
I know where the green is. Wait, yes! There's a ton of green all around here, so someone's for sure gonna come over here and try and take a picture.
I spotted Salish. I'm gonna try and get a video of her. She came so close to our building. All right, I gotta get back inside.
Oh, the door's locked. Okay, let's see this one. It's also locked. We gotta go back.
I left the roof. Here's the greenery. I'm going back on the roof. I think Salish is close by, so I gotta be sneaky.
I hope I can get in. Okay, we made it back in. I need to get back to my spot.
I'm surrounded by green right now with my mural here, so just gonna, my buddy over the shoulder. Done. Now back to incognito mode.
This is like a green background. Maybe someone will come over here.
There's green everywhere, Say. They might have all gotten their selfies by now.
Wait a minute, Dad. Are you just sitting in here?
Well,
it's fully AC'd in here. What? It's so nice.
It's nice and
You're
cool.
so lucky. This is all you have to do. Blah, 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 blah.
That's all I have to do. Why don't you go find people?
Hello, everybody. Everybody, come to the tree in the front where the library is because, just do it.
I feel like this is a trick. I'm gonna stay right here.
They said go to the tree next to the library. Is this the library?
Salish, for real? You think that would work? You're not getting me.
This is crazy. She's right there.
You're running out of time. Nobody's gonna come to you. Go, you got.
I got you. Yes. No.
That is such a good disguise.
All right, let's try this one. Even though I already looked here, no one's in there and it's locked. So I think that would be kind of unfair. Let's try this one. I've already looked everywhere, but whatever.
Oh, this is where Collins is.
Bro, is anybody ever gonna be here? Wait a minute. Is this somebody?
Oh no, you can't just punch me? That's not
punched
fair.
you. I tagged you.
It's a
Collins.
kidney.
Is it you?
Yes, it's me. You got me.
Hey, let's go.
How do you recognize me through all this pain? That's
Now
crazy.
I'm 3 down.
Attention, everybody. Collins has been caught.
Oh yeah, you have.
Collins, you just lost $5,000.
The fact that Collins got caught is not a good sign for me.
Collins got caught.
Salish is on the move.
Now I'm gonna go to maybe the wood shop. I've been here before. That has some great hiding spaces. I think I know my way around here.
I hear Salish. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
She's coming.
This has some great hiding spaces.
Oh my gosh.
Someone's for sure in here. Where's everyone? I know someone's hiding here. Hello? I just heard noise.
You sure you want to keep looking in the wood shop, Salish? You're gonna get slimed.
I'm not getting slimed. I know there's someone in here. I know for sure that there's someone in here. It is hot in here. I have a bottle full of water, and if you don't come out right now, when I find you, I'm pouring it all over you.
Guys, check this out. This is me, part of our new Ninja Kids Mystery Warrior pack. You can get at Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Hopefully you get me because mine's the cutest one. Okay, I gotta hide before Salish comes.
Hold up. Why is there a ladder right here? Hello?
Oh, Kat is right there.
I see someone! Kat, is that you? Okay, Kat.
Oh, she got Kat.
I'm sorry, Kat, but I'm pouring water all on you.
Oh no. Ah! Oh, that actually feels nice.
Yeah, it's nice on this hot day, right?
I can't believe I got caught.
Attention, everybody. Kat has been caught. caught.
Oh yeah, she has.
Kat just got caught. Eliana,
Crazy.
we're getting close to winning.
I thought you were gonna win $5,000. Salish, for your next challenge, you have 1 minute to get to the courtyard.
All right, now I have to go to the courtyard. Hello?
You ready for your next challenge?
Yes, I am.
Okay, here we go. Attention hiders. In the courtyard, Salish is blindfolded. There are 5 bars of Feastables. Each one of you has to grab one without getting tagged. If you get tagged, you're eliminated. If you're the one that doesn't get a bar, you're eliminated.
Come on, Eliana.
I gotta try.
I don't know if I can make it. I'm super far away.
This should be easy. Where are the Feastables? Hey! What? Somebody took the box!
We got it. I got it.
I hear somebody.
Oh! I tried to open a box.
Good try.
At least I
Salish,
tried.
There's 5 hiders left. You're running out of time.
Okay, you know what? I think I might actually look in the library.
I can't believe I didn't get tagged. I need to get back to my hiding spot.
Oh, no, actually.
We're deciding to move spots
The gym. Hide in a box.
and hide in a box because we want to spice things up.
This cool air is super nice,
Uh-huh, but
but
you're
I'm
running out
not
of time.
actually here to see you.
Okay.
I'm here to find somebody.
Okay.
I just know there's someone for sure in here.
Guys, this is crazy. She's right there.
Attention hiders. Zong is caught. 5 hiders left. She's running out of time.
Where are you going? All right, there she goes. Do you need help? This is Eliana. I'm gonna go get in my box now.
Who wouldn't want to be in here in this nice AC? What are you doing?
What? I was just watching you.
What were you doing?
I was looking at the camera.
What were you doing?
No, I'm not doing anything.
Are you sure?
Look, you gotta hurry up because you're running out of time. Go check the
Yeah,
library.
I'm
That's
trying.
fine.
Why are you trying to get me away from here?
I'm just telling you, I don't want to have
No,
to
you're
slime
trying
you.
to get me
I
away
don't want to
from
have to
me.
slime you. And you're okay. You know what? Take your
always
time.
have wanted to slime me.
Okay, go ahead.
You've
Take your time. We're
always
good.
wanted to slime me. There's
We're all
for
good.
sure someone over here. Why are all these books stacked out here?
Because it's a library.
I know kids my age, and they don't like reading this much.
No,
There might be
Salish, it's
something
Salish.
in the cabinets.
You can
because-
find. Look in the cabinets. See, they're locked. All the cabinets are locked.
Peyton!
No! No!
What? Peyton! What are you doing here?
I kind of wanted Peyton to win the $5,000, say.
Oh, I was trying to hide and I wanted to win.
Well, it's better that you're here now.
You've been caught. Go.
No.
No, you gotta go.
Peyton should help me find them.
No, we did not. No, we did not do that. That is not a rule. That is not a rule. Attention hiders. Peyton has been caught. 4 hiders left for $5,000. Who's gonna hide the longest?
Let's go to the gym. 30 minutes ago, I put a bunch of boxes in there so that people could hide.
Oh my God, they look so happy together. Looks like they're going to the gym. Oh, to see if anybody hid in the boxes. Salish and I put together a Team Salish text thread where we can text you and give you behind the scenes photos, questionnaires about what we should do next, and you can text back to us. Link in the description if you want to do that. Just now, I dropped this text to everybody. Should Salish A, cut her own hair, or B, cut Jordan's hair? One of us is getting our hair cut. So let's hope everybody votes to cut Salish's hair, and we'll bring her back in here, make her cut her hair.
Salish still hasn't found me. Maybe she's going to get slimed.
I don't know any.
Oh my God, I can hear them.
We just have to take them down. There might be a person in here though, so be gentle. I'm not being gentle. Yeah, me either. Whoa! I don't know. Oh my God! Ellie!
They found Eliana.
Oh, Eliana, oh!
I got you. No, where's Jensen?
Fine.
Where's Jensen?
They're looking for me.
You guys, where's Jensen? Where's Jensen?
That was so close, but I think Eliana got them to go away from me.
I got the idea for this camouflage challenge from Zealous's new video, so make sure to check that out. Attention hiders!
Eliana has been caught.
Yes!
There are 3 hiders left for $5,000. But unfortunately, we have to do a challenge.
Guys, Eliana just got caught too, and Salish still hasn't even came in this hallway.
So far, in the results of the text thread, it looks like I might be getting a haircut. We'll find out soon.
All right, guys, I just left the gym. They just found Eliana. I need to find a new spot. I'm in a new area that I haven't been before yet, and I'm like panicking right now. There's only like 2 people left, I think. Wait, what is this place?
Let's check in the teacher's lounge.
There better be someone in here.
Yeah, for sure.
She's right there. She's literally right there. I'm trying to hide the phone so that she doesn't see me.
Ooh, what if they're in the fridge? I mean, it's a hot day. Not in the fridge.
Mini fridge, who could fit in there? No one. I looked.
No one's in there.
No one's.
They might miss her. She's right there.
I really don't think anyone's in here.
I don't think anyone's even around here.
She's right there.
Ooh, there's popsicles.
I want one.
Me too. slime people, but this is so good.
Salish and Peyton.
While you eat ice cream, you're running out of time, and I'm going to get to slime both of you.
If you don't find everybody in the next 10 minutes.
All right, I think we should just leave because no one's here.
They're leaving. They're absolutely leaving.
Wait, Salish. Wait a minute. There's something by the lockers. Who is it? Anna!
You guys found me.
No! Peyton saw it the last second.
I've been literally hiding like this forever.
I'm so sorry.
Attention hiders. Anna has been caught.
Yeah! All right, let's go.
I wonder who's going to win. It could be Devin because he took one of the disguises.
Promised everybody on the text thread I would do this, so I'm gonna do it. Attention Salish, come to the library for your next challenge. Remaining hiders, you can switch your location if you want. Ugh, I don't wanna do this.
This is a weird room. Look at this, guys. Dude, that scared me. That looks good. I didn't see that at first. All right.
Okay, Dad, what's going on?
Well, Team Salish text thread voted you give me a haircut.
What?
Now listen, while you're giving me a haircut, the last people are hiding different spots, so if you go really fast, you can maybe catch them.
It's okay, I'll just cut off the split ends.
No, wait, couldn't you have voted for her?
Peyton, chill. I'm
No,
just gonna
actually,
cut
chill.
this.
My thing is spiky hair.
That's
Oh, God.
I've seen this technique on TikTok.
What technique? What are you talking
Like
about?
this, and you go.
Okay.
Oh,
That was a big snippet.
Okay, that didn't
and you go
sound
like
good.
this, so that you just get like some layers.
I have layers already. Could you just cut?
Okay.
What's so funny? Actually, Sandy, is it bad? Oh no. This is the gold spot. I need every strand of hair up there.
Like
No.
another-
Go! Looks like we've got a winner. But where is he? Salish, you avoided a sliming
Yes,
yet
I did.
again. And now it is time to congratulate our winner of $5,000, Devin.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, that was crazy. You don't have to pay me the $5,000 if our new video with Salish gets 1 million views.
Oh yes,
Deal?
actually yes, absolutely deal.
All right,
Please,
great.
listen. The link is right there. Absolutely, please. I don't want to give him the money. Please, right now, go watch that video. Please. Thank you, please.
Guys, I'm going on a date today, and I know my dad's gonna follow me. And at the end of the day, we're going public with our relationship. We just promised that we would get married forever. And that's gonna drive my dad crazy.
No freaking way he has a Salish tattoo on his arm.
Things are gonna get really out of hand.
Dude, she's my girl. No, she's my girl. Bro, come on. Okay, we're doing this.
He'll definitely stop the date after that.
Are you guys officially a couple?
Colin, come here. Somebody's at the door. Are you expecting anyone?
I think he's here.
Hello, Mr. Matter.
James! Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm taking Salish out on a date.
Last week, this boy named James asked me out, but my dad interrupted before I could answer.
You know what? I'm actually done with this whole video. Just cut this video right now. Cut it.
So today we're going out so that we can prank my dad.
Salish!
Hi!
How are you? I missed you so much.
Good, I missed you.
I brought you so
Oh,
much.
thank you so much. Wow, these are very big.
Wait, hold on. I'm so sorry. You guys are going on a date?
Yeah, I forgot to tell you. Sorry.
What?
I'm sorry, Dad. I gotta go finish getting ready, but you can hold these. Just talk to James.
Wait, what?
Thank you.
See you soon, sweetie.
Sweetie? What? I love you, Jalish?
That's our couple name.
My dad has been pranking me for years and always putting me in weird situations to test me. So finally, I'm gonna test him with really awkward first date moments.
Should I just use the restroom real quick?
Sure. How did you know where it was?
Oh, I watch all your videos. Come on.
This is weird, right? They've got a ship name. He bought 10 million flowers.
It's just super nice. Like, that's a lot of roses. Like, I think he really likes her.
James is gonna have to act so obsessed with me so that my dad like freaks out. This is gonna be funny.
Oh, I got you this, by the way.
Oh, that's for me?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. This is for me? What am I supposed to do with this?
Oh, I have a place for it.
As soon as James is done messing with my dad here, we're gonna get into a car with Ari disguised so my dad doesn't know.
What's up, bud? You need something?
James, this is Hudson. Hudson's Salish's
Nice
brother.
to meet you, man.
What's he doing here?
He's a little bit overprotective with his sister. It's all good. He's a real chill guy. Huds, he's good. He's a good guy. Nice, chill kid. Really nice. I met him.
It was nice meeting you.
My dad recently said it's okay if I date as long as it's not Nidal.
I'm okay with her dating, maybe just not an adult.
So let's see if he still feels like that at the end of the day, because after this, he's gonna wish I was dating Nidal. This is the plumping kind. Okay.
Wow. She's beautiful.
Thank you. That's so cute.
We were supposed to make a video today. That's why Colin's here. So are we canceling that?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, and you're gonna go on a date?
Yeah.
So where are you guys gonna go then?
We don't know.
Okay, but you're really dressed up, right? She's really dressed up. Say, can I talk to you real quick? Sorry, 1 second. She'll be here in 1 second. What is going on? Like, you didn't tell me you were dating this kid.
I'm not dating him. I'm just going on a date.
But you didn't tell me that you were gonna do it. Like, what? Why are you so dressed up?
Don't follow me.
Why would I follow you? That's weird.
Like you haven't before. Okay, bye.
Where are you guys even going?
Don't even worry about it.
What was? Look at them.
Say, how do you know your dad's gonna follow us?
My dad always follows me, but to make sure he does it today, I have Hudson in on the prank. Because what my dad doesn't know is that we're actually throwing him a massive 30 million subscriber party. And Hudson's job is to make sure that my dad follows us out of the house. I'm gonna turn off my location. He's gonna call me and freak out.
Okay, Salish just completed the first part of the plan, which is turning off her fine friends. Let's get my dad to follow them on this date.
Okay, this is not happening. She turned off her fine friends. I'm being dead serious. I'm calling her right now. This
Wait,
is like,
what?
I'm not gonna allow this. You know me.
Wait, my brother's calling. Yo, what's good?
Why'd you turn off your fine friends?
Why are you checking?
Because you're on a date. I'm not allowing this.
What are you gonna do about it?
This isn't happening right now.
Bye.
Dude, you don't have to call her on a date. This is so awkward,
Are you
man.
kidding?
James is a nice guy.
I don't
met
think
him.
so.
He's
Look,
just
he's one of
overly
those TikTok boys.
excited.
He has the fluffy hair. He's doing a tux. No, I'm gonna go follow him. You can come or not call, and you're
Okay,
coming with me.
Hudson, stop. I just promised her I wouldn't follow her. I can't let you go alone because you'll do something crazy.
Come
I
on,
know
come
that.
on, Colin, you're coming with
Okay,
me.
hold on, wait. I'm not breaking my promise because I said I wouldn't. I'm just going to protect Salish from Hudson.
You're coming with me, come on.
Hudson, this is so weird.
Get in my
We're gonna
feet, let's go. Come now.
Hudson is determined to keep an eye on Salish, so I have no choice but to follow my daughter and her date. We better not get caught.
We need to hurry up.
Hudson, dude, this is ridiculous. Why are we following Salish on a date? He's a nice kid.
Colin is in on the prank, and he's gonna be filming everything that my dad does. Now I'm gonna turn my location back on so they can follow us.
Dang, you're really good at this.
Thank you.
Hey, wait. She turned it back on again.
She did, okay,
Yes,
okay.
okay.
Where is she?
I think you guys are overreacting. He's a cool guy.
He's the nicest kid ever.
One of those fluffy hair TikTok boys that I see on my
I'm saying this is weird, and the only reason I'm here is to stop you from doing something really stupid. Let her have a fun date.
I wouldn't do anything stupid.
Oh yeah, you would.
You're an idiot.
We made it. This is the first part of our plan. Have you ever danced?
Yes.
Like what kind of dances?
A little hip hop, a little tango, salsa.
Okay, if we do this right, my dad honestly might quit, but this is the first part of the prank, so let's go in. I chose a dance studio first because I wanted to break the ice with James immediately, and a dance class is going to put us super close to each other. That's definitely gonna freak out my dad. But we need a little practice first because he's gonna arrive at any minute.
Salish knows my car.
How many red Teslas do you think there are in LA?
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
How many beat down 2008 minivans are there, which is my car?
Oh.
Ladies, actually, I drive a Bugatti.
Yeah, okay.
After all those times my dad pranked me, now it's my turn to get him back. The moment he sees us together, he's definitely gonna walk in and stop this date.
You guys look like such a cute couple.
Oh, we're not a couple.
Okay, yeah, come on.
Go straight. It looks like we're getting very close now. Can we not do this? This is weird.
I'm not allowing Salish to date until she's 35.
I'm not 35.
35.
This is just a random date, and I'm not the guy that's gonna follow her around LA on a date. I trust her.
Let's learn a bit of salsa. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
We just passed a dance studio, and I think that's where they are.
Spinner in and dip. Very nice.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go check my dad's location.
Okay, great.
We can't run in there because they could see us, so we need to be chill, okay?
This is so ridiculous. They're gonna see us.
All right, guys, he's actually like about to be here. Like he's basically here, so let's go.
Okay, let's do that sequence one more time. Ready?
Hudson, listen. You cannot let me get caught doing this.
My dad is about to be here. Ori, go hide behind the plant. Ori, I will be so mad. You owe me $100 if you get caught, okay?
5, 6, 7, and out, spinner in, dip. Very nice. You guys are naturals. Are you sure you guys aren't a couple?
Oh, we're sure.
Oh, I see him in the dance studio. Get down, I see him through the window. Get behind this car,
Open and spin her in. Nice eye contact. Look down. Nice. Very nice. How did that feel? Good.
I'm not comfortable watching this. Can we just leave?
No, I know. This kid is not okay.
Shh. You dragged me out here. That does not mean that you're gonna get me caught. Just chill. Will you do me a favor? Just take your scooter and see what's going on in that dance studio.
And please be safe.
Glad you wear your helmet. What was happening?
They're holding each other like this.
Okay, so that's not that big a deal. It's just shoulders. Okay, maybe we can get a little closer. Come on.
He's like in a suit.
Yeah, he's in a suit.
If you went on a first date, would you wear a suit? No.
For Salish, yeah.
Oh, get out. Get out.
My dad's not falling for the prank. We need another solution right now. All right. Is he coming over?
Let's make a plan, but let's act like we're
dancing? Okay. What if you like stole something?
Okay, yeah. Okay, so don't look suspicious.
Okay, yeah.
Go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Put your purse over on that seat, and then I'll act like I'm going through it.
Okay. James, you have to be super suspicious.
Okay, I will.
Wait, he's looking through her purse, man.
Wait, why is he looking through her purse?
I don't know why he's looking through her purse. Wait, he's looking at her phone. Why is he looking at her phone?
Oh, I told you he was bad.
I know, that's not good. Maybe she said, can you grab some gum for me or something? She loves gum. Just maybe.
Why would he be looking at her phone if he wanted gum?
I don't know.
Is he coming?
No, I don't think so.
You know what? This isn't working. James, can you grab my bag? Let's go out and go into the car. Ori, stay there until we get to the car so we scare them away, okay? Thank you, James.
Oh my God, they're coming through.
Go this way.
Go. Colin.
I really hope they don't catch me. I can't be seen. All right, let's go.
Colin, come on, let's go. Sorry, I'm just hiding from my daughter. Get down.
The dance didn't work out as I planned, but if James and I slow dancing freaked him out, he will not be able to handle what I have prepared for him later.
What are they doing?
Dude, she's my girl. No, she's my girl.
Yo, chill. Come on.
Okay, we're doing this. All right.
They're fighting. What? We gotta go back to our car. Let's go, come on. I cannot believe I just did that.
Why was he going through her purse?
I have no idea.
It's so weird.
Okay, wait, I think there's probably an explanation. Let's just get in the car.
There's no explanation for that.
We're getting in the car. I'm driving.
Wait.
Come on, hurry.
Okay.
I need to see if my dad is freaking out or not, so I'm gonna text Hudson and ask him.
Huds.
Yeah.
Why would he be searching through her purse and get her phone? Why?
My guess is because he was looking through her phone to see if she was talking to any other boys.
I do feel weird about doing this, following her.
Why?
I'm a little concerned about the looking through the purse thing, so I do think we should see what they're doing next.
I
really want to be done with this as soon as possible.
No, he's given a bunch of red flags. All right, you're taking it right up here.
Hudson just texted me back. Yeah, but we need him freaking out more. I actually can't believe that dance didn't work.
I know, I thought that was gonna work perfectly.
Can you think of something?
Okay, maybe ice skating?
No, I would fall over, bro.
Okay, a movie then.
No, we're already going to a movie premiere at the X.
Okay, what about the mall?
The mall? That's actually a good idea. There's a lot of stuff that we could do there.
Okay, perfect. Driver to the mall.
Yes, sir.
All right, it looks like they're pulled over here, and it looks like some kind of mall or something. Makes sense for a date location.
My dad is getting here soon, so we need to get inside before he sees us filming.
I do not feel good about this boy at all.
I feel like I'm so dressed up, and you're like, Cash.
Cash?
So lucky.
She's 15 now, and you gotta admit it, she's gonna date.
No, I'm not okay with it. I know what boys do nowadays. All the little fluffy hair TikTok boys with the little dances.
I never liked the idea of Salish dating. The fact is, she's old enough to date. I would never stop her, and I think it's super weird that I'm following them and watching her on a date.
Wait, I wonder what car they're driving. Do you know what James's car looks like? James is not driving.
No, James is not driving. I don't think. Wait, is he driving?
No.
Wait, well, obviously there must be Ubering. He's 15. They're not driving. I would actually stop the date if they're driving. All right, let's just go. Why am I getting so into this now?
You should be.
Let's go.
Since my dad was super close to us, we have no time to lose. I was immediately putting my plan into motion. We found the first person we saw, and we asked him to tell my dad that he saw us both together and to point him in our direction.
Okay, sure, why not?
Because right when he gets there, James is preparing this for him.
This is so awkward. We're literally in public right now.
Are you like a singer?
I don't sing alone. I sing with people.
Just say verse 1.
I saw you smile and the world stood still.
I know this is awkward, but it isn't as bad as what I have planned for later.
The love of my life, I just wanted to give you this.
Wait, really? Thank you. But believe me, I'm pranking my dad for a good cause.
So man, why would they be in Nordstrom for a date?
Excuse me, are you Jordan? Jordan Matters?
Yeah.
Man, nice to meet you, man. My niece loves you. She watches all your videos.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I just saw your daughter in here with some guy, really cute couple, man. It looks like they've been together for a while. I mean, they were just kind of like close.
Yo, whoa, what you mean by close?
Wait.
Very hugged up, very like.
This is their first date.
Maybe I said too much.
Wait, hold on. You're saying that they're all snuggling? It's their first date? Do you know where are they in there?
They should be at the E-bar.
Thank you. Okay,
course.
this is a nightmare.
Yeah,
Thank
of course.
you. Okay, bye. Did you hear that? He's saying they're snuggling. They're all snuggling. What happened?
I'm beating this kid to a pulp.
It looks like they're. All right, let's try the second floor because they're right here somewhere.
Okay, well, my dad's about to be here in like any second. Go hide.
Go.
It's like somewhere right here.
Okay, so I'm about to start singing.
They're right there. They're right there. Look. They're right there.
He's here.
He's here?
Go.
Okay,
You have to be really loud.
I saw you smile. Time froze in place.
Oh my God, he's singing to her.
No, he's
Dude,
not.
he's singing to her.
He is not.
Salish and James, 2 hearts in a rhyme. Okay, dancing through the days, 1 giggle at a time.
This is too much, actually.
What is he doing?
This is a little too much.
Louder.
We don't need forever, just a hand to hold. Love so innocent, pure and bold.
I can't hear you.
You can't, I'm going so loud.
Louder.
I'd write your name in every song.
This guy's a little like off his mind.
Let the world spin fast.
Oh my gosh, this is too much.
I've got your smile, I've got it made.
Okay, we're done.
Okay.
That was so embarrassing,
Thank
James.
you. Fine.
That was so awkward.
No way, get up. No way. What is that? What was that?
He embarrassed her. She walked away. Did you see that?
Well, okay, maybe that's a good sign. I think he might be a little too obsessed. You know what? I need to know for sure exactly how he feels about her and how she feels about him. At this point, I've got an idea. I've got a plan. I'm gonna make a call.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom while you do that.
Hey, are you by any chance with?
Guys.
Oh, hi, Hans.
Hi. Okay, I just snuck away. You guys are doing a great job. It's not working though because he hasn't stopped you. So you need to make this bigger.
Okay, all right.
Stop putting your hands on my sister.
I haven't even touched her.
What? I saw the dance. You freaking hold hands on her shoulders. That's not okay. Deal?
Yeah, deal.
Don't worry, Hudson. If this mall thing doesn't work out, we're gonna announce our relationship to the world.
Okay. Good luck.
Meet me by Lululemon at the Delamo Fashion Center, okay?
All right, on my way, pal.
Oh, you big. Oh, you huge. Thank you so much.
All right, see you there.
This is gonna be awesome. I've got a great plan. I got 30 minutes. I gotta find Salish again. I gotta find Hudson. I don't know where, you know where the bathroom is, Colin?
Yeah, it's like over there.
A cute couple so far. He's singing to her though. That's weird.
Yeah.
What up?
Found
Sorry.
her. Okay, where were you?
Bathroom.
Okay, all right. In about 30 minutes, I'm gonna figure out exactly how much they like each other. I've got a secret plan, so it's gonna be awesome.
This is not
it's
a good
so
idea.
good.
This is not a good idea,
It's
dude.
so good. It's crazy, but it's good.
This is
Just
not
wait.
good.
The dance class was less weird to me actually than the singing in public thing. You were right. This guy's a little suspicious. Let's go.
Yeah, what did I tell you?
I'm getting too overinvested in this.
I have no idea how that didn't work, but Hudson's right. We need a bigger idea. What could that be?
Photo booth. I have something for that. Just trust me.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
What are we doing?
Come on, just trust me.
That girl just said Salish. Where's Salish? Is she in that photo booth? Thank you. Don't tell her you saw me, okay?
Wait, where is she? What'd the girl say?
The girl says she's in the photo booth.
Oh, you need to go in there. Are you kidding?
What?
He just sang to her, and now they're alone in a photo booth. That is not gonna happen. You need to go in there right now. I'm being completely serious.
Why are we here?
Okay, I have something to show you.
Okay, show me. Go.
All right.
Wait, why are you taking your jacket off?
Don't freak out. I knew we were gonna prank your dad. All right, so I got this. Freak him out.
Okay, so what
right.
is it?
You want me to walk in there and stop them because they're alone in a photo booth. Okay, you know what? No, I can't do it.
All right, then I'm going.
Actually, don't go. No. Dude. Actually go. If she comes out, we're busted.
That better not be real.
It's not, trust me.
Okay.
When we take the pictures, we're gonna get 2 copies.
Yeah?
We take one, and then we're going to leave the other one.
Okay, I got you.
Okay, all right, let's take him.
Okay.
How long are they going to be in there? They're doing so many photos, right?
You got 2 tattoos?
Yeah, I really wanted to sell it. Let's just go.
How long are you okay with her being in this photo booth? The guy at Nordstrom was saying how cuddly they were. Now they're alone in a photo booth and have been for like 10 minutes.
Okay, I know what you're saying. That's not Salish, but it's just like a lot of photos.
Okay, grab the picture.
Okay.
Let's go. He must be right outside. We gotta go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Wait. If he's outside, should we just hold hands?
Okay, sure. Let's leave the photos on those massage chairs.
All right, let's go.
Oh, what?
Stop. Just stop. Come back. Colin. Dude, Colin. Actually. Go. Oh my God. That was. Oh my God. That was way too close. I mean, they just walked out of that photo booth like a full-on couple. They're just holding hands now? Like it's no big deal? It's not that they're holding hands, it's how easy they were holding hands that kind of weirded me out.
Because it's like if you and I are holding hands, it's like we've built up.
Okay, not gonna lie, I thought the photo booth would totally freak him out.
Come on, go.
Why are we going the other way?
I just need to regroup. Come on. At least they didn't go here. That would have been scary. Good news. The people I panic called earlier, they're almost here. Okay, they're 5 minutes away. They're 5 minutes away.
Are you gonna tell me who this is?
You're about to find out. We gotta meet them by Lululemon.
I thought the hand holding would be enough, but maybe the picture, if that isn't enough, I don't know what will be.
He's gonna see that and flip out. Did you see the massage chairs by them?
Yeah.
Should we?
Yeah. Okay, so we'll chill at the massage chairs for a minute. Then once we're sure they're watching, we'll leave the photo strip behind. My dad seeing James's tattoo will freak him out for sure. Okay, we still have some time before the movie premiere starts. What should we do?
Why don't we just do the things that you've done on other days?
What do you have in mind?
Hold on. Hey. Good, we just got here. Yes, okay, good. We're here. Look at me. Do you see me? Guys, come this way. I brought in Familia Diamonds, specifically Tsunami, because if anyone can get close to Salish and figure out what's really going on, it's her. Hurry, come here. Okay. Sorry about that. Apparently Hudson decided he wanted us to follow Salish. She's on a date.
Oh. Okay.
I want to hear them talk, so I'm gonna give you a mic.
A mic?
I want to know if this is real. It could be a prank. If you could go give her a hug and then just slip the mic into her pocket.
Okay.
All right, Colin, I need a mic. Thank you so much. Okay, so I admit this is
Terrible idea.
All right.
Thank you. Make sure she doesn't notice. Okay?
Wait, you just stay here. I'm gonna go make sure no one's here. You need to make sure Salish knows you have the mic, okay?
Oh my gosh, yeah, of course. I'm not gonna sell her out. She's my friend.
My dad gave Salish a mic thinking he'd get answers. Instead, she's just gonna troll him.
I think something with a big diamond.
Have you ever kissed a girl?
Yeah. When was the last time you kissed a guy?
I can't say that on camera. Cameraman, cut this.
Okay, they're right there. Get the mic in there. Don't let her know, and find out if he's into her. She's right over there.
Keep your head back.
What are you guys doing here? I saw you in last week's video.
Oh yeah.
You were my favorite. I was rooting for you the entire time. Is this a date?
No.
Man, I really wish I could hear what they're saying.
What are you guys talking about?
Dates.
Dates? So you do like her?
No.
You're a little defensive. It feels like you do.
Oh gosh. Okay. Should we just explain?
Go for it.
We are trying to prank her dad into thinking that we're together.
I know. Well, I mean, it was so good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Oh gosh, they just hugged.
Your dad gave me a mic. Don't say anything you don't want him to hear.
Okay.
Push your pocket.
Thank you.
She just put it in the pocket and Salish didn't know. Oh my God, that was brilliant.
Enjoy your not dates.
Yeah.
Have fun. Bye.
Now Tsunami is going to act like James and I are really into each other.
Did it work?
What happened?
They were just couldn't get their eyes off each other.
No.
Salish was like blushing the whole time.
No.
I really do think it's a real date.
Could we actually, I need the headphones. I need the headphones right now, Colin, right now. Okay.
So I got these for you guys, and then this is the audio.
Let's go. What is this?
Gonna look really
So
sus.
you guys both take the headphones, and then you can listen.
It's like a drone. I'm out.
What? Wait, they're gonna kick us out of here. Wait, shh.
Wait, I hear them talking.
This date is so much fun.
We literally make such a good couple.
Wait, couple? It's our first date.
We should get up and go somewhere.
Okay, let's go.
Do you want to like skip away?
Yeah.
Skip away? What?
I left the photos on one of the massage chairs for my dad to find. Consider this payback for all those times you pranked me.
This is so awkward. Like, how are we gonna be able to, like, just get,
If she sees us right now, this would be so weird.
This is like state of the art.
No.
That's cute.
What's with the tattoo?
Wait, what?
Tattoo.
It literally says Salish. Wait,
Dude,
did he get
no
it before?
freaking way he has a Salish tattoo on his arm. Wait, hold on. They must make temporary tattoos in there. Just give me 1 second. I gotta go ask one question.
Yup, they left the pics, and my dad, he's spiraling right on cue.
Do they make temporary tattoos here? No, right?
No, I don't think so.
Are you sure?
I don't think so.
This is why I want to listen to them right now, because it's super weird that he has a tattoo of her name on his arm.
All right, this is the first time that I've turned this mic off, but basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into a jewelry store and we're gonna get a ring, and you just have to act super in love and pretend like you want to propose to me, okay? So let's turn this back on.
Whoa, stop. There they are. Where are they going? No!
Okay, which one do you like, sweetie?
I feel like all of them are so cute.
I think something with a big diamond.
Are they buying rings?
This is literally
Yeah, we're gonna
promise
be
ring.
promising our lives away.
Promise my life away?
That one's really cute. I feel like that's a really good ring.
This dude is literally a spinning wheel right now.
At what point are you gonna go stop this? What does promise my life away mean when you're in a ring store?
I don't, Colin?
That's
You're
serious,
delusional.
Jordan.
You're delusional.
All right, well now we just promised we would get married forever.
We need to go in there right now.
Now that James and I have had our fun, it's time to ditch the mic and leave them in the dark again. Wait, what's this? Why do we have a mic? What? Well, I guess I don't need that. Let's throw it away.
Wait, what happened? I can't hear anymore. Hold on, just hold this.
No, don't do this. Oh, okay.
Now it's time to go to the movie premiere. And that's gonna be our final chance to make my dad quit.
She did not throw the mic away. The mic is so expensive. Colin, come here. You see it? Do you want to get it?
Gross, dude. I don't want that.
Oh my God. Ew. Oh. Is that bad? Oh God, could you hold it? Actually, no, dude, actually,
We've tried everything.
I cannot believe my dad hasn't stopped us yet.
But we still have the movie premiere. That will be the thing.
I'm calling Hudson. Meet me in the car, they're leaving. Okay, this is super weird. Everybody's acting suspicious. I don't know if this date is real or fake, but I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. But you know what? Hudson might be in on it too. Hurry, come on. Hudson's the most chill dude. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's play a game. What would you do if he proposed?
You don't propose on a first date. That's ridiculous.
I don't know. It could happen. It happened to one of my friend's parents.
You know what? Before we got to the mall, I thought he was just like nice. But a tattoo?
That's what I've been telling you.
Okay, I don't know what's going on anymore, but if there's a ring involved, that's where I draw the line.
All right, it says he's about 2 minutes away. Let's go.
Whoa, is this the Paramount lap? This date has gone in so many directions, I feel like I need a GPS just to keep up. Are they gonna let us in?
Just keep going and just say, hey, I'm here for Salish Matter.
Hi.
Here for Smurfs?
Yes.
Great, I just need to see that parking pass email.
Okay, can I pull over and look for it?
Are you guys press?
We're with Salish Matter.
I can type in a name.
Okay, Salish, S-A-L-I-S-H.
Yep, I see you here. Great. So that stop sign there, you'll just head right past it into the parking lot, and then we'll call the white umbrellas to the right.
Thank you so much. Wait, I just randomly said my daughter's name in Paramount Studios. Just let us come in?
Look over here. There was somebody painted blue.
They said, are you here for Smurfs? Didn't the Smurf movie just come out?
Let's just go see what is happening.
All right, behind us is the red carpet, and we're about to walk it together. So that means there's gonna be pictures of us, and that's probably gonna drive my dad crazy.
All right, so this, I think I hear music. Look at me, she's right there.
You're gonna go that way. I'm gonna go this way. We'll both jump thunder. We'll have a better chance that way of not getting caught, okay?
No, actually, that's a terrible idea. No.
If my dad's just starting to think it's fake, I gotta find Salish first so I can tell her to go bigger and better, because we don't have a lot of time for this.
They're right there. They're right there. They're on the carpet together. Are you kidding? They're actually doing photos together. You know those photos will be everywhere, Colin. One date and they're going public? No.
Hi, I'm Taylor Biggs, and I am here on Instagram Live.
This looks like they're doing an interview with Taylor Biggs.
Are you guys officially a couple?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, well, there you go.
Like, actually doesn't make any sense to me at all.
So now what I think we should do is we could post like the photos that we took together on the like blue carpet, announcing our relationship or whatever. Guys, we're not actually together, I promise.
They're just chilling on their phone. Like, other than them being at the red carpet, this isn't that weird.
Okay, that one looks like we're dating at.
Oh my God. I want to check her Instagram.
Okay.
No, I know her body language was she's posting something.
Okay, post it.
All right. What?
She just posted a photo of them together saying they're dating.
Stop.
Salish's not the kind of kid that would just be like, I'm dating on the first date.
They say, you'll say.
What is Kato doing here? Like, why is this kid everywhere?
What's going on here? We're on a date. You didn't know?
I gotta get close. I need to hear what they're saying.
Wait, I thought you wanted to go on a date with me. Hey, be respectful. Dude, she's my girl. No, she's my girl.
Bro, come on, stop.
I'm the better looking dude here.
I'm neither of your girls.
He doesn't quit right now, right? How on earth would he not quit?
I'm gonna start rolling, make it as believable as possible. Bro, what the heck is going on with you and Salish?
I'm literally just dating her for the clout. This is all for clout. This is all for fame. This is fabricated.
What are they doing?
Well, I don't know. Maybe have you thought about her feelings?
This is gonna blow up. I'm gonna be famous. It's over, bud.
Bro, you're so wrong for that. You should. Yo, chill. Come on.
Okay, we're doing this.
Stop. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. They're fighting. What? Stop. They're fighting. They're fighting. I got. Oh, back up.
It's a party for kids. Chill.
All right.
What was that? That was so weird. That woman broke him up.
I'm gonna go give this to him.
All right.
You got this.
All right, let's do this.
Wait, Caleb's coming. He's walking this way.
Hey, Jordan, what are you doing?
Oh,
That doesn't matter. I got something to show you. Listen to what he says about Salish.
I'm literally only just doing this for the clout. Salish doesn't even know this.
That is so messed up. That is so messed up.
He's using your daughter, Jordan.
Why don't you stick around with me? Maybe I could use you to help me out.
Okay.
By the way, I've been seeing like way too many TikToks of two of you together, so just would you guys stop with that? It's like we're done with those, okay? I don't want to see Nailish, I don't want to see Kalish, I don't want to see Jaylish. I gotta go find Hudson.
Kalish all the way, baby.
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay, it didn't work. Take Salish into the open theater, sneak her in. I don't know, do something crazy.
All right, perfect. I have an idea.
Okay,
all right,
go.
All right.
I think you need Salish.
Oh, crap.
Okay. I told James to take Salish into the open theater. There's nobody in there.
We gotta get Hudson.
Okay, let's go find Hudson.
Hudson, listen. James is using Salish just for clout, okay? I just found out from Kato. We're meeting Kato in the theater. Come
Okay,
here.
James, for the final prank, I need you to give me the promise ring that we got at the mall. There's no way that he's not gonna like object
to this. Or sit down because he's gonna see you.
Go, 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 go. Stop.
Okay, he just came in. Do it now.
After this whole day, I think you're the love of my life, and I just wanted to give you this.
No way.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, well, I guess I'm putting the promise ring on and promising you. Well, the promise ring's on. So.
Dude, you gotta go. Go.
Should we hug?
Do we hug?
Okay.
Thank you.
We're
I
locked
love
in
it.
for
Yeah,
life.
locked in. Anyone want to object?
I have an objection. Anyone at all?
I'm just kidding. I knew it was a prank.
Forget it. Dad, I know you're here.
Jordan, come out.
Dad.
Come on.
But I got them. I knew it all along. I know that everybody was in on it. Colin, you were in on it too. Come on.
Yeah, I was.
I knew it.
Everybody knew it was a prank.
There was no killer. You had me for a while, but I figured it out when I saw Ari in that ridiculous costume. Salish, I saw your mic pack on your belt, and Hudson kept disappearing. What kid brings 6,000 roses and a picture? Come on, it was so obvious. You gotta get better at your pranks. You gotta be like me.
I just wanted to get you out of the house.
Why?
All right, Dad, are you ready?
Yeah, I wanna know. Go.
Okay, 3,
Okay.
2, 1.
I hear people in there. Here we go. Okay. All right. Okay. Whoa. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. Whoa.
Dad!
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Wait, that was so I'm so happy. That was terrible. I'm so sorry. Really good. I just want to thank all of you for 30 million subscribers. Absolutely beyond. You guys put in an incredible amount of effort. And of course, my wife, I love you so much. Okay, never mind. Guys, I love you guys. I love you guys. You know what? Forget it. Bye. Today, my daughter Salish challenges Dance Mom star Lily Kay to 7 rounds of a gymnastics and flexibility challenge to see who will be the last to leave California's largest water park. You each have 1 minute, get an awesome photo in this waiting pool. Lily, you go first. This is gonna be tough. Good luck.
Let's go, Lily! Let's go, Lily!
This is gonna be fun. Go. No. We're not cheering because she's going up against my daughter. But wait and see. I know you can do this. You ready? Okay, Salish, you got this, little girl. Let's do it. Make your family proud.
I'm 11 and she's better than me. How am I gonna win any challenges?
I'm always rooting for Lily, but this time it's hard for me not to root for my little girl. Salish, arms down, point your foot. We're gonna have random fans judge every round, and whoever wins gets whatever's in this mystery envelope.
Pick me!
First up was Lily Kay. That was louder than I hoped it would be, although she's dope. Next contestant was Salish Matter. I think that goes to Salish Matter.
That was not fair because after they heard the first scream, they knew how to get louder.
Thank you all, that was great!
Here we go, round 1 down. Salish has the early lead for the mystery envelope. Now let's go underwater for round 2. Salish is going first.
I don't know what I'm gonna do because I can barely hold my breath, so I think I'm gonna do like a split and bend one leg, and I can't open my eyes underwater.
You're doing great with holding your breath, little girl.
I know!
Way to go. Lily, you're up.
I mean, I'm honestly feeling pretty good. I've done a lot of underwater challenges, so I'm hoping that my experience will help me.
That was incredible.
And I'm not gonna beat that!
Wesley just saw the underwater photos. He has a winner. Who won this round, Wesley?
To me, I think Lily won this round.
Lily Kay!
Yeah, I knew she was gonna win that round.
I mean, hers was pretty good, but I'm glad we're tied now, so we're moving on.
I want a mystery envelope!
Next round, you gotta each stand right there and hold your favorite pose. Whoever holds it longer wins. They don't know what's about to happen. Here we go. And hold it. Straighten the leg, go.
competition.
I can sit here all day.
You're not allowed to hold on. 1, 2, 3. Keep letting go. Straighten that leg, Salish. Not allowed to touch the pole. Who can do it? Oh, Salish is down. Champion Lily of that round.
I really can't believe he tricked us.
I know, right?
I'm like soaking wet now.
I've got an idea. Okay, right behind me is a cool fountain. There's a mermaid. There's a big dude there, and
I'm a man.
a merman. You each go in there. You only get like 20 seconds, okay? Because after 20 seconds, we're probably gonna get caught.
No, you got it. You
Rock, paper, scissors. You keep throwing scissors. You gotta go in there really quick. Now, what sort of pose can you do? Let's talk about it out here. You don't want to go needle versus needle with Lily. I thought you could go up on the ledge and do a back bend because your back is nice and bendy.
I really hope we don't get caught and get in trouble.
I'm not supposed to be sneaking up, and I really hate this. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna do a split right on that. Split and arch back.
Yes, there's my little girl. You're gonna get wet. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
One more.
She's gonna get us kicked out of here.
It's gotta be right, or it's not worth doing.
I'm gonna blur out the water. This is gonna be so cool. Go for it. Hold it really, hold it really slow. Look at me. Open your eyes. Yeah! How about my little girl? Did you hold my hand? When did she grow up like this? She's 11.
Salish chose a pretty cool pose, so I'm gonna try and one-up her, but I don't know if I can. Let's see how this goes.
Hold on, that's smart. Wait. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Nice, hold it. Okay, see, that was quick. See, that's how it's done. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Lily, get down. Get down. Hide there. Get down.
Nobody's even here.
Are they gone?
Nobody was there to get
Nobody was here?
me.
I just got wet for no reason? That was a waste of a good hairstyle. This is Lily K. This is Salish Matter. Armando's gonna give the winner. Armando, who did you guys decide on, Lily or Salish for this round?
Shayla.
Salish wins this round. This thing is coming in close, guys. Keep sticking around. I have a spin wheel with 4 different desserts on it. I'm gonna spin it for each of you. Whichever dessert it lands on, you eat that thing in a photo. Okay? Now let me tell you the 4 things. We got Dippin' Dots. We got ice cream. We got funnel cake, a little sweet, and we got French fries with chocolate sauce. Okay?
Why?
Are you ready? Little Salish goes first. Salish.
Lily.
Okay, Lily goes first. We are having ice cream.
No, why didn't I go?
Salish gets French fries and chocolate.
No.
She's giving me the evil eye. I didn't do it. It's fun.
Yes, you did.
The only thing I'm worried about is 1, I don't want to drop the ice cream and then have to eat it off the floor. And 2, I feel like I might accidentally like crush it. I really don't want to do that.
Okay, I'll take this. Thank you very much. Do you know your pose?
Yes.
You know your pose? Nice try. You just munch on that ice cream over there. Wait till you get the.
I'm licking it.
Hold on. Good, 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 good. Right there. Hold it. Nice. Now shut.
Straight in. Point straight in.
You giving her notes? That's Lily K. Point and straighten though. This time, take a huge bite like this. Like shove it in your mouth.
1, 2, 3.
Shove it in there. Okay.
That was actually pretty good.
Who does she think she is? This is tied. She just nailed it. What you gotta do is. Oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
Oh, you want a piece of me? You gotta get out of here. All right, let's call it truce. Now we go for the next contestant. This is Salish Matter, French fries with chocolate sauce. All right, you know what? I'll eat one first to make sure, and I'm off carbs right now. Here comes the choo-choo. Chugga, chugga, choo. Remember we used to do that when you were little? Chugga, 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 choo-choo. Salish, I've got a shot that might win you this round. Set this table, backlit, arch back, dump these on your face.
I was thinking about doing that.
Sweet, do it.
I'm not gonna pour it on my face.
Here is the second thing of French fries with. If you do it, I will then do it on my face.
You do it before so I'm motivated.
Oh, that sucked.
I'm still not sure I'm gonna do it.
Oh, wait, what? You're not sure you're gonna do it? No, you're doing it.
I don't think I am.
Listen, I run a tight ship. I'm your father. I demand you do this.
I'm good. Thanks for the option, though.
How is it their contest, I end up taking the hit.
It's gross. I would never do that. So I'm gonna do it with one fry.
Tip it towards me so I can see it more. And then open your mouth. Nice, hold it. Somehow she didn't have to deal with the prize at all and I got it all over my face. How does that happen? This is a tie game and somebody gets an awesome prize at the end. Okay, so this is big. This is Salish. Lily K. Whoever wins this is in the lead. Who won that round?
Lily.
Lily K. You know what would have won you that round if you dumped it on your face like I told you to?
I'm actually really glad that Salish did not dump the french fries on her face because she definitely would have won that round.
I cut my hair clean.
Next round, who can get further on these without using the rope?
No, I'm pretty confident in this because I do beam and gymnastics. I think I can do this.
I don't do that, so I don't got this.
The most people have gone without the rope is 3 lily pads.
Whoever gets further wins. All right, tell me when you're down. Salish, if you can stand on the blue, you win this. All right, all you gotta do is stand on the blue. Okay, oh, she's gonna do the Lily K pose. Oh, smart. Now can she stand up on the blue and win this round? That's how Lily did it. So far, so fair. If she stands up, Lily time, you gotta stand up. It's all tied up. This is the scariest right here, and this is the tiebreaker. The first one of these kids to scream loses, and the winner gets the mystery envelope.
I got this. I'm not screaming.
You're not gonna scream? One of them has to scream because the park is closing in 5 minutes. If you're liking this video and you give us 200,000 likes, we will do the next one in the Bahamas. Starting now, no more screaming.
It's not fun when you don't scream.
Definitely subscribe to Lily's channel because it's dope. So far, this isn't that bad. Oh my God! How did you not scream? Okay. What the heck?
That one was scarier.
Did you guys scream?
No.
Can we do it one more time? We can't end in a tie. One more, please. Please, please. Okay, I understand. You're so dope for letting us do this. Thank you so much.
Your attention, please. Raging Waters has concluded its operating day and the park is now closed.
Girls, this place is totally closed. It's your choice. It's a tie game right now. Do you guys want to get out of here right now before we get caught, or do you want to keep playing?
Keep playing. Keep playing.
Keep playing?
Yep.
Okay, because we gotta finish it, right? Let's find another championship round. This place is totally empty. Look at this. They got these machines running, but nobody's here.
What?
Look, come here.
Yeah, we can hear the machines.
Come here. Just come here. Oh my God, it's still on. This is the final round. You're each gonna take a raft. You're gonna go zipping down this thing, and whoever gets there first wins. We're out of here before we ever get caught, okay? Okay. I'm gonna push them down to keep it even. Whoever gets there first wins this. 1, 2, 3, go! It's all over, Salish won! The mystery envelope, what is in it? It is a card.
2021 season pass. Take it out! Yeah! Lily, do you want to come with me sometime?
Definitely.
These are 15 dads, but only one of them can be my dad's twin.
I'm in France right now, and Salish wanted to film a video anyway, so I challenged her to find another dad who could be as good as me in a video. No way, doesn't exist, impossible.
Wait, low-key, you kind of look like my dad. If my dad's twin can beat my real dad at the end of the day, I'll get to change the channel name to whatever I want. So before the final challenge against my real dad, the dads will have to complete a series of extreme YouTube challenges, starting with YouTube intro. If they can't do the intro like my dad, they're eliminated.
How hard is it? Today, my daughter Salish tries to replace me, but she can't.
Okay, number 1.
Today, my daughter Salish. No! Today, my daughter Salish.
Today, my daughter Salish. Today, my daughter Salad.
Not quite there. Yeah.
Did he just call her Salad?
Today, my daughter Salish is hiring me to be her YouTube dad.
Wow, we've got the energy. Let's go. Okay.
As the kids would say, he's DTMing. You don't do too much, he's trying too hard. This guy's trying too hard.
Number 6. Oh, I know this one.
Sandy, what? Okay, what? Wait. Sandy, you know, we started the channel together. Good friend. Doesn't look anything like me.
What's good, Sandy?
What's up?
Hey!
Today, my daughter Salish tries to replace me with a better YouTube dad. What could possibly go wrong?
Sandy, you can't be my dad. I mean, you're like my dad's bestie. So.
Sandy nailed that more than anybody. He got eliminated.
Today, my daughter Salish.
Today, my daughter Salish. Today, my daughter Salish.
Today, my wonderful, beautiful, marvelous daughter Salish I'm gonna be her new YouTube dad.
Is picking a YouTube dad. Gets to choose the perfect backup dad.
We'll pick a new YouTube dad.
You're really nice like my dad. You have the exact same hair as my dad. Colin, that sounded like my dad, right?
Yeah. Didn't sound anything like me.
We got that energy.
All right, heck yeah. Yeah. Oh. Is this whole thing a prank on me? Like, these guys don't look anything like me. They don't act anything like me. She keeps hitting the green buzzer. What is up?
My dad and I have fought over the name of the channel for years.
Nick, this is actually Salish's channel?
Confirmed.
That's busted.
Confirmed. If I pick the right twin and they be my dad at the end of the day, I can literally name the channel whatever I want.
Well, what would you name it, though?
I'm thinking something like Salish Batter, the goat of 6'7". You know? I need to find someone who can sound like my dad, act like my dad, and somehow convince people he belongs on this channel. And right now, I'm feeling pretty confident.
Today, my daughter Salish is gonna realize that I am her father's long-lost biological twin.
Wait, low-key, you kind of look like my dad.
We're not twinning, right?
Loki, let's go, Loki! Hey! All right. Oh, we've got the jeans tucked with the shirt. Oh.
Today, my daughter Salish is gonna find a dad who actually goes to the gym.
Okay. You think that, what, you want some of this?
You know, I can't diss my dad like that. Like, I love my dad, you know? He goes to the gym every day.
Hit the red button, say.
But I feel like you could beat him in a challenge, so I'm gonna hit the
Yes!
green.
No!
Oh, we're jumping. Oh, okay. Got the energy and the cringe factor, you know?
Wait, is she calling me cringe? No.
Today, my daughter Salish finds the perfect YouTube dad and travels back in time.
Well, I mean, you're a lot younger than my dad, like maybe 100 years younger, so.
Thank you.
Whoa, okay, no, not 100 years.
All right, next one up.
Today, my daughter Salish finally listens to me.
Is that a wig?
Please hit the green button.
Whoa, you have the same energy as my dad.
Please?
Wait, okay. Oh, wait, that was actually kind of good. If I could find one dad who can do the intro, survive the challenges, and fool the judges, I might actually get to rename this channel. Final one.
Today, my daughter Salish picks from 150 people to find a replacement for me.
Okay. The first challenge showed me who can act like my dad, but the next challenge is gonna show me who can actually survive being him. Next challenge is YouTube consequences. My dad always gets pranks, so if you want to be his twin, you have to be okay with getting consequences. So, who's up first?
I got this one.
Oh, 13. Here's a list of all of the consequences my dad has gotten in our YouTube videos. Let's pick one. Hold on 1 second.
What is it?
You'll see.
Oh, no.
I've slimed my dad a million times, but this time we're using purple gooey slime. Are you ready? You might want to put those goggles on.
I've been slimed a million times. I've never once worn goggles.
3, 2, 1. You did it! Wow!
Oh, heck
Good job.
yeah.
Oh, no. I need to pick the perfect twin of my dad because I need to change the channel name. Like, I've been wanting to do this for literally years. Okay, next consequence is, spicy food challenge.
Not the spicy food challenge.
Spicy consequences are my least favorite of all the ones we do. Except for heights. Heights terrify me.
Okay, we have a jalapeno pepper and hot ones hot sauce. We're gonna pour this onto this. You take one bite, you pass.
Okay. This is actually fun. I like to see guys have to go through what I go through.
Yeah, watch this.
Oh, actually, oh.
Did you swallow it? You passed! Okay, next consequence for
let's
number
do it.
4. Oh, this one's a good one.
All right, let's do it. What is
This
it?
is amazing. All right, bring in the cage.
Wait, what's in the cage?
You'll see.
It's making noise. No, I should have done the pepper.
Yeah.
I'll do the pepper. I don't want the cage.
Yeah, it's super cool. We've worked with animals so many times. My dad's done this a million times.
Oh, what animal is in there? Oh, Salish.
I'm not cool with animals. I mean, I like animals, but whatever's in there, it's freaking me out. I'm out of here.
He's just quitting? I would never put an animal like this in a cage. And my dad knows that.
Okay, it could have been anything. I understand his terror, but if you're gonna be me, you gotta stick it out anyway.
Number 15's consequence is... Oh, it's another cool one.
Oh, no.
You hear that? You can quit right now. My dad wouldn't quit,
No,
but...
I'm not gonna
Are you
quit.
sure?
Yep.
I mean, this is really cool. Like,
If he can do it, I can do it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, that's cool.
Loki, I feel like that wasn't cool.
That wasn't even that bad. Try having ice dumped on you from 2 stories off a treehouse, falling into the mud.
Number 14's consequence is... Oh, guess the drink. My dad just did this, okay? Well, this is important you get this because my dad literally just did this challenge and he guessed all of the things.
Go! Orange juice! Gatorade!
Yeah! 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Is that pickle juice?
Yeah! You got it! Oh, no. That's okay. Anyone want pickles?
Me.
Oh, Rowan.
Yep.
Really? Right now, low-key, I'm leaning towards 14 because he has the same energy as my dad. He's like literally the same height. He's a little younger, but pretty much similar hair. And he just guessed that last challenge, so we'll see if he can do the rest of the challenges.
Pretty much similar hair when he wears a wig, Salish. Okay, otherwise, he's completely bald.
Now, number 11, what's your consequence? Oh, this is gonna be fun. It's a powder cannon.
Wait a minute.
You might want to gear up. It comes at you kind of fast. My dad has probably done this 100 times. Like, he's done it in the treehouse. He's done it at a park.
I've been powder cannon everywhere.
All right, are you ready? Put the goggles on, okay?
I would never wear goggles for a powder cannon. What? No, stop! Never.
Are you ready?
No, I can't do this. I quit.
Wait, you're not doing it?
I quit.
You owe me goggles now.
He just quit? It's not that bad.
I'm Jordan's long-lost twin. I'm the perfect person to replace him. I mean, who's better? Look at my hairline. I mean, come on. Need I say more?
Is this whole video just about rage baiting me?
Okay, number 9's consequence. Let's see. Oh, okay. Mystery smoothie.
I'm very, very particular in what I eat.
Okay.
What's in it?
This is what I'm putting in the mystery smoothie. I'm starting with orange juice, then I'm adding Oreos, Gushers, Cheez-Its, and veggie straws. Okay, you just have to take 1 sip of it and then you pass. Oh, yeah. It's really good.
God!
Go ahead, you got it. My dad does this stuff all the time. He does stuff with way grosser things.
He is behaving exactly how I would be. You do it, but you don't want to do it.
Oh, that's really good.
Wait, are you joking? Oh, you're taking it.
I'm taking it.
Actually, yeah, that guy's actually kind of like me. Except the hairline. I don't want to let that go. We don't have the same hairline.
I'm future Jordan.
All right, number 12's consequence is... Wait, this is perfect. I literally just did this on my dad a couple weeks ago. It's pink hair dye.
Do I get a hat?
No.
How much are we going with the twin thing? He looks literally nothing like me.
Wow, it's metallic pink. Well, now at least you can see if you look good with pink hair.
This was rough. Fortunately, the car wash washed it all out. Oh my God, what?
Okay. All right.
Do I move on?
Yeah, I think you're good.
I'm gonna go wash it out.
I didn't mention it's an all-day thing.
No, it comes
You
out.
have to have it in all day.
This doesn't win it?
No.
I'm out.
Wait,
I'm
you're
out.
leaving just like that?
Yes.
Wait, he gets his hair dyed and then quits? You already won the round.
Your dad got to wash his out.
But I need you to be better than my dad.
Good luck with that.
You know what he's saying? He's saying you can't be better than me because I am the best.
why I'm better than Jordan. I'm the fit Jordan. I'm the action Jordan.
Okay, this guy keeps pushing my buttons when it comes to working out. I'm telling you what, buddy, you wanna do a push-up contest right here? Oh, right, we're, yeah, not in the same room.
Okay, number 10, the final consequence of this challenge. Let's see. A pie in the face. That's not even bad.
I did this, it's not fun, and it takes a long time to get cleaned up.
Are you ready?
Has your dad done this before?
Yeah.
Give it to me as much as you can.
The team's gonna come in. Come on.
I just went through that a few weeks ago. Let's see how he reacts.
3, 2, 1. Hey!
Did I make it at least?
Yup, you passed.
Yes! Jordan, here I come for you.
Not sure about him.
Jordan's got nothing on me. Look at me. I'm big energy. I go all day, every day.
I gotta say this guy's the most like me is my guess because he's got good energy and he kind of looks like me.
Okay, number 2, your consequence is 100 t-shirt challenge.
Whoa!
You gotta put all of these on.
All right, let's do this. Your dad can do it. I can do it.
I mean, my dad has done this and he's gotten all 100, so you have to get all 100 too.
I did it. It was sweaty. It was unpleasant. Gotta get through it.
Let's go! Come on!
Hold on. I'm realizing how many different consequences I've had to do. You all the time Salish has had to do a consequence. Exactly. Like never.
Okay,
Where are you going?
This took my dad a long time, so it's probably gonna take him a long time too. Let's get something to eat.
Think you're better than me, Jordan? I'm gonna show you.
Salish, I did it!
Okay, I'm sorry. You missed 2, you got 2 more, okay?
For you, anything.
Okay, here you go. This is the last one. Okay, you did it. Good job.
So did I make it?
Yeah, you made it.
That's right. I'm coming for you, Jordan.
Yeah, you can be talking smack all you want, but what are you so cocky about?
Okay, guys, the next challenge is a hidden camera challenge. The dads don't know about it, so I need help from Jolie. Come on. Okay, hi, how are you? So, okay, all the dads are in the green room. I can watch it from this monitor. Jolie's gonna walk into the green room, pretend to trip, and spill all the chips. Anyone who doesn't help her out is definitely not his twin. My dad's not okay? So how are you gonna trip?
Okay, I'm gonna trip over my own 2 feet. Okay, I'm gonna get a little knee in there.
You got it, Jolie. Go.
So Salish is saying I'm nice and thoughtful. If somebody fell carrying chips, I would obviously get up and help them collect the chips. So I'm assuming all these dudes will do that too.
Hi.
Hello.
Did you guys want some chips?
I'm good.
Sorry.
That was an awful fall.
Let me help you a bit, huh?
Oh, thank you.
4 of them are helping. Number 7, number 13, and number 15 are sitting.
You all right? You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, number 7, number 13, and number 15 just sat there.
No,
so
15 came over and helped me. At the end.
he helped
towards the
you?
end, yeah,
What'd he do?
He asked me if I was okay.
You okay?
Okay, the only people I saw that didn't help you were number 7 and 13. So I guess they're getting cut.
You're cut. Well, I've never like fallen in front of your dad, but I feel like if I did, he would help me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've fallen in front of him. He's helped me.
You're so clumsy, Salish.
I'm not clumsy. I haven't fallen in so long.
That's not true. That's not true. The most recent video you fell down the stairs.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. Just wait until you see what challenge the dads have to do at the end of the video. Right. I don't know how to go. I know! Okay, hi guys.
Oh, hey.
So remember when she fell?
Yes.
Yeah, so it was actually part of the plan. I told her to do that just to see who was generous and who would help her pick up, because my dad is a very kind, generous person, so I just wanted to see who would help pick up the chips.
Aww.
And pretty much everyone helped, except for 13 and 7. So, 7 and 13, you guys are eliminated.
Jordan would never leave me hanging like that, so bye!
If my dad's twin beats my dad at the end of the video, I feel like I'm gonna change the channel name to something like Salish Matter the Goat is like low-key cool. But then we could do something more simple, just like Salish. I'm in all the videos, you know? Next challenge, all 5 of you dads are trapped in this box.
Whoa, come on. What box?
Guys. But first you gotta get into your colors. Oh, wow, okay, the color of your shirts is the color of the balloons that you'll need to pop.
This is harder than what I had to do. My ears, I can't even hear anything.
Last person to pop all of their color balloons is eliminated.
Here goes nothing.
Good thing I'm not afraid of heights.
I love pressure.
Okay, start popping in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, look at that! I trapped my dad in the elevator one time and he had to pop up like balloons. This is way crazy. Wait guys, I feel bad for him. He hasn't completed me. Guys, I'm so excited to show you this. You might be wondering why the box is painted purple. It's because Sincerely Yours is launching a brand new toner. Woo! Let's go! This toner hydrates your skin and more importantly, it removes all the excess dirt and oil from your face that cause breakouts. So it's so good. This might be a close one. Orange is doing pretty well and so is pink. I'm not seeing too many orange and pink balloons, but I'm seeing a lot of green and blue. Guys, I really want blue to win. Pink is locked in. Come on, blue, you can do it. Pink is at one more. One more.
This is it.
Yes. Okay, pink finished first. Yellow is low-key almost done.
I want to see your real dad do that.
Oh, okay. Well, that's kind of exactly what my real dad would say.
A lot of these guys are super confident, and I like that quality, but that doesn't mean they would beat me.
Guys, blue is almost done! Blue is almost done! Go blue! Guys, orange is almost done! Orange is literally almost done! Orange has one more! Blue finish! Let's go, blue!
Last one, baby. Last one. Yeah.
Good job! Let's go, blue!
Thank you.
Woo! Oh my gosh, one of these two dads is about to get eliminated. Come on! Let's go, let's go! Come on! Only 2 more! You got it! Go, go, go! Oh my gosh!
Losing by 1 balloon is a bummer.
Number 15, you're eliminated! Number 14 has been doing really well in the challenges. He looks like my dad, and most importantly, he acts like my dad. They could low-key maybe be twins.
Couldn't be twins say because he's wearing a wig. And if he wasn't wearing a wig, he looked nothing like me. Did I mention that it's the hottest day on record ever in France? Like, it's also the hottest place on the planet right now. Just wanted to put side point, it's hot here.
And even though I'm not actually getting a new dad this video, maybe my dad will make a new friend.
Yeah, I see it. Some of them do act like me.
Okay, there's 4 dads left, and for the next challenge, I need a special guest. Okay, this is Marco. He's from Beverly Hills. He's a YouTube dad, and he's a real boxer.
Marco!
You have to fight this guy?
Yeah.
Like, I can't do that.
Oh, I had to do this before. He hits hard. Oh, no, we're good.
Marco had to keep my dad away from me in the chase videos, so now you guys have to keep him away from me right now. Okay, who's up first? 2?
Of these 4 guys, whoever protects her for the least amount of time loses.
What the heck is this? I mean, this guy's gonna kick my butt. I don't think Jordan was ever fighting a boxer.
I'm sorry, excuse me? I fought a real boxer on the channel. Fight! Oh, God. See that?
Okay, number 2, are you ready?
Don't worry, I got you, Salish.
Marco's gonna be trying to knock the pizza box off my hand, and whenever he does, the timer stops. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yo.
Best you got. I got you, Salish.
Get me
Don't worry, I got you.
You gotta go after the guy. Like, he's coming, you're just stepping back. That's your daughter. This guy should get eliminated.
I'm sorry, Salish. I tried, I really did.
Oh, it's okay.
If I was in that position, no one's getting by me.
Dad number 14, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Dad number 14, what are you doing?
I failed you, I'm sorry.
All right, number 9, are you ready?
I am ready. I'm going right for him.
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1.
That's right, he went after him, so he built some space between Marco and Salish.
Go number 9! Go number 9! Go number 9! Oh no!
Seems like a nice guy. I didn't think he had it in him, but he was very aggressive in protecting Salish.
Oh, dude, it's so hard being Jordan. I don't know how he does it every week. This was tough.
Yeah, you're right. I do it every week. These guys do it once.
Okay, number 10, are you ready?
I'm ready. I don't need this headgear.
Oh.
That's how ready I am.
Oh, that's what my dad would say.
Okay, I like this guy. I like him.
3, 2, 1. No, number 10, stay with me. Come on, number 10, let's go. Yeah, stay with me, number 10. Number 10. No, number 10, this way. This way, no.
That is I lower back? Oh, man.
He's got lower back issues. I've got lower back issues. Kind of twinning with me right now.
Guys, number 10 was low-key kind of locked in. That's kind of what my dad would do. And number 14 honestly cooked. So I kind of feel like number 10 and 14 could be my dad's twin.
There's 4 dads left. Number 9, I don't really see the resemblance. 2, 10, and 14 all have the similar mannerisms, similar height, and I can see any of them being a pretty good twin.
You guys did a great job, but I just checked the time, and the dad that lost the quickest was number 2.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Hey, I'd like to see you try to fight a professional boxer, Jordan.
2, wait, really? He kind of had so much energy like me, but you lose a challenge, you lose a challenge. That's the way YouTube works.
I really need to figure out who is the best replacement for my dad, and I have just the perfect challenge for that.
Hi, Salish.
Hey.
You want to go on a date with me?
But before that, my fake dad can't be afraid of anything. And to test their energy and their courage, your next challenge is embarrassment. My dad embarrasses himself all the time, so if you can't be embarrassed, then you can't be my dad's twin.
If you want to twin with me, you got to do embarrassing stuff in public. We can make an entire video that's just clips of all my embarrassing moments.
Number 9 is about to go, and his embarrassing dare is he's about to yell 6, 7 in this mall, like right in the middle. Look, oh my gosh, but my dad does embarrassing stuff like this all the time.
This is gate 6-7. Gate 6-7.
If he can't do it, he's not my dad's twin. He's going. He's right there, he's right there, he's low.
Oh gosh.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
He's such a cutie.
I know.
He was like, what does 6, 7 mean?
6, 7. Come on, join in.
I feel bad.
This is so embarrassing.
It's embarrassing, but he's just not going for it.
He's not being as loud as my dad would. My dad would be like, 6, 7! Number 9? Excuse me? You're good. Good. You're good. Thank you. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love number 9.
Hey, he had to be 5 times louder.
But he's so cute. He's so sweet. Next up is number 10, and he has to sing in public.
Oh, he's coming. That's him.
Okay, his jeans are super tight and the t-shirt is tucked in, neither of which I do.
You guys want to sing happy birthday to my daughter? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Salish.
Wait, no, he's doing what I did.
Happy birthday, my little girl Salish, standing right up there.
He's turning it around on her and making her the embarrassed one.
Oh, my dad did this to me years ago.
You guys know Salish? Happy birthday to you.
This is good. He needs to move on.
Say, come on.
I'm not going.
Happy birthday. She's so shy.
They want to sing happy birthday to you, bro.
I don't want them to sing happy birthday to me. It's not my birthday.
It's actually funny. He's got her number. She is super embarrassed.
Okay, number 10, you pass.
Thank you so much. That was good. That was good.
My dad is not afraid to get embarrassed, but he always embarrasses me. That guy, he was embarrassing me. Next is number 14, and he has to wear a tutu. My dad has done this before. Oh my gosh, he's coming out.
Wait, he looks just
my
like
gosh,
your dad in the
just
video.
like my dad. Oh my gosh, Colin. Oh my gosh. Okay, the sass is on point. He's like, okay. Woo! Gee. Oh, boy, he gives to me. My dad would do that. Oh, he's bowing. Oh, he's dancing. Does this not remind you exactly of my dad?
Okay, maybe I look the same.
He's kind of killing it. I don't know.
No embarrassment. He's actually like my dad's twin. Number 14, make one big leap. Oh, okay, you're good. Woo!
That was great.
That was so good. Low-key, I feel like I have my answer. Okay,
Who is it?
Come on, let's go. All right, good job. You all did your dares. Now I just have to eliminate one, but hold on. You look a lot more like my dad now.
Oh, okay, bald joke.
14, you killed it in that tutu. You looked exactly like him. So, it's between 9 and 10. I think that I'm gonna have to eliminate number 9. Just because my dad has a lot of energy and I just don't think you had enough energy.
Super nice guy. Hate to see him go, but the truth is I would have been screaming 6'7", and he whispered it.
Yeah, you're right. He's a little crazier than I am.
Yeah, he is a little crazy.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you ready for the final challenge?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
My dad would kind of act like both of them there. Okay, guys.
Are you ready?
Guys, that's good.
These two guys are kind of acting like me, I gotta admit.
Whoever wins this determines who faces off my dad.
I don't know. Either of them could possibly beat me. I still think I have the advantage.
Okay, behind this door is a boy that wants to ask me out. I know how my dad would react. The test is to see how both of you guys would react. Whoever acts less like my dad will be eliminated. 10, you're going first. Let's go, 14.
I'm gonna make sure this is the right boy for Salish. What's your name?
My name's Carter.
Carter. Where are you taking my daughter?
I'm taking her to the beach.
Low-key beach dates are so basic, bro.
Poor dude, he wasn't taking her anywhere. It's an actor, right? This isn't like a real thing, because I'm like really far away.
He's an actor. I've never met him before. Obviously, this isn't a real date.
This is your go-to? Your outfit? A hoodie and jeans?
Go-to is exactly how I would say it.
No suit?
I brought her flowers.
This guy's funny though.
My dad doesn't care whatever the guy I'm talking to or going on a date is wearing.
Yeah, I wouldn't care about any of this stuff.
Where do you live?
The beach.
His look is so intense.
My dad is a lot more chill now.
What sports do you play?
I surf, snowboard.
Snowboarding would be perfect because they could do it together. Like, that's a fun date.
If this was my real dad, he would like that he snowboarded because I snowboard.
You know what? Salish is busy tonight.
Wait, no, I'm not busy.
Start over, come back in a suit.
All right.
Okay, my dad would never do that. Now it's time to see number 14.
I mean, Salish is 16. I think I know how her real dad would react in this situation. Flowers for me, you shouldn't have.
Oh no, these are for Salish.
Those are nice. How you doing? I'm the real Jordan. What's your name?
Good, my name's Carter.
Carter, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Guys, he's like my dad.
Yep, that was good. Smelling the flowers, funny, charming guy.
What are you into?
I like to surf, snowboard.
Surfing. All right. Hang 10?
Wait, he's so chill. He's so cool.
What about you?
I like photography, hanging out with my daughter, not when she's driving.
Sounds like my dad.
Yeah, just being a great dad. What are you up to?
I'm actually about to ask Salish on a date.
Ultimately, it's not my decision, it's hers.
All right.
Salish.
Oh, am I supposed to go?
Got a visitor.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Salish. You want to go on a date with me?
Wait. This isn't a part of the challenge. This challenge was for the dads. Wait. Thank you, Carter. Thank you, Carter.
4 years ago, I might have been more like number 10, but now, the current Jordan, totally like number 14.
I saw how both of you reacted, and I now know who I want to eliminate. Number 10, I'm gonna have to eliminate you. My dad is a little bit more chill now. He might have reacted like that a couple years ago, but now he's more like, for 14, you are officially my dad's twin, and now it's time for you to face off with my real dad.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
I like number 14, but can he beat me in a head-to-head competition? How are we gonna go head-to-head, you might wonder, because I am all the way in France and they're in LA. Very simple.
These are 3 strangers who have never seen any of our videos. Guys, do you even know what my name is? They're about to watch 2 videos of me driving with my dad. One is with my real dad, and one is with my dad's twin.
And they're gonna say which one of us seems more like her dad.
And if they get it wrong, I get to change the name of the YouTube channel, and I can't wait. I have so many good ideas.
Okay, this is actually kind of stressful because number 14 is very charming, he's funny, he's good on camera. I could see 3 strangers thinking that maybe he's her actual dad.
Okay, guys, you can start the first video.
All right, Say, just be careful.
No, bro, Dad.
She called him bro?
Yeah, you saw that. Yeah.
She calls me bro all the time. Like, you have a teen girl, you're a dad, you've been called bro.
I don't even call him dad at this point. I call him bro.
Great, apply that, bro. I'm not your bro, I'm your dad.
But if she uses bro with her real dad, he just maybe showed us because he goes, I'm not your bro.
All right. If you're gonna be turning, turn signal.
Well, my daughter's never called me bro, even when I gave her driving lessons.
Apply the turn signal.
I don't need the
very
turn signal.
slowly.
I don't need
very
the turn
slowly.
signal
Watch out for the
first.
truck. All right, just take a breath.
He feels more like a dad to me.
Oh no, they're actually buying it. They actually think he might be her dad.
Right.
I don't know how to go.
Back up. Okay. Wow.
Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. I need a minute. This is like literally like I'm watching me, but it's not me.
I'll break.
Very
I
easily.
get it.
Now turn signal and an easy left turn. Yes, you
Hey,
did it.
Dad,
Congratulations.
stop!
He was good. I'm her dad, and I couldn't really tell if I was a stranger if that was her dad. That was a very good performance. I gotta give it to him. This guy is my twin. He might actually be able to fool the judges. But will he seem like more of a dad to Salish than I do? That's the question.
So let's play the next clip. And remember, you have to figure out which one is my real dad.
Wait. Do not park out here. Do not park out here.
Wow, what a difference in dads.
He feels like he's acting a little bit.
Yeah.
If we park there, we have to sprint there.
If you park here, he'll see the car.
Please just trust me.
Hard to tell. I mean, young daughter who doesn't seem to listen to either one. Maybe a little bit more here, which could lend argument to that really was her dad and the other one. Because sometimes, I mean, you listen to a stranger more than you listen to your parents.
Yeah, that is true.
Actually, stop.
I'm not gonna hit, I promise.
How do you know? How do you know?
They look more alike.
I thought the same thing.
Yes! Yes! She looks more like me than him. Is that what there's right? Yes, we look more like. Oh my God!
All right, we gotta go.
Salish, this is the worst parking job.
Hey guys, you watched the second video. What are you thinking?
I kind of agree. He looks a little bit like her.
He looks
He does.
more like
He looks
her.
a lot more
Yeah.
like her, and he acts more like a nervous dad around her. He seemed a little bit more comfortable with her.
Yeah, I agree with that. I think he looks more like her than number 2. Agreement. And we believe that number 2 is,
Please.
your real dad.
Let's go! Let's go! Ah! I get to keep name my channel.
So were we right?
You were right, and I do call my dad bro. I call him bro all the time, more than I call him dad.
You were right. You were right. Yeah.
I know you guys are gonna comment that the name of the channel should be Salish Matter. It doesn't matter to me, because guess what? I just won the challenge and it stays Jordan Matter. Peace out, Team Jordan.
This is so annoying. We did all of this for nothing.
I mean, not for nothing. Like, we kind of learned that you have a really strong connection with your dad.
Colin, this doesn't matter right now.
Just trying to be positive, bro.
And trying to be positive, bro.
So are we going on a date or not?
Today, my daughter Salish surprises her best friend Nadal with a super fun scavenger hunt. You did not! Just let go of your clue! He's been stuck at home for 2 months recovering. She is hoping to make him really happy and also help him walk again. But what she doesn't know, at the end, Nadal will try a back handspring for the first time since his injury.
Nidal! This is my best friend Nidal's house. And I'm about to surprise him with a super fun scavenger hunt. If he does everything I say, he gets this mystery present. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. I'm gonna surprise him and give him this first clue. Okay, let's go in. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? No, where is he? Wait.
Hello. Oh, hi, by the way. Hi.
Nidal! Wake up! Nidal!
Salish?
Good morning. There's a scavenger hunt. Read this clue.
Hey, wait. I'm so confused. Why are you here?
Nadal has been in his house recovering since we saw him last month, and if you don't know what happened to him, watch this video.
I have so many questions. Okay, I'll read it. Find the red car, but open the trunk before you go far.
Find the red car.
He's been feeling really frustrated being stuck at home for months, so Salish made this plan where she's gonna give him an awesome day and at the end, somehow, help him walk again. We'll see how that goes.
So where's the red car?
Just look out the window.
What? That's so cool. Wait, do we get to ride around in it all day?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah, come on, let's go. You're gonna have to do everything I say for the rest of the day.
What? No.
Yes. Here, I got the key. Do you wanna hurry up a little bit? Oh, there we go. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
There we go.
Open. What? Oh my God, there's so much candy. I'm gonna get this.
Oh, okay. Oh
yeah, those are my favorite
There you
toppings.
go.
Water.
Oreos.
Coconut water.
Goldfish.
I'm set. Is that a gift for me?
Well, you have to get through the rest of the day until you get that.
What is it?
You'll find out at the end of the day. You have to make sure you say yes to everything I say today.
Okay.
Since Nadal got his cast off, he's been using a boot or crutches, but he started to walk short distances. Salish's plan is get him to walk a mile by the end of the day.
What?
This is really tight, by the way. It's also gonna be a disaster for my hair.
Destruction at the home. Whose handwriting is this? Oh.
You did not just let go of your clue. Are you kidding?
I was trying to open it and then the wind took it.
Now we have to go back to get the card.
You're not gonna know where we're going, so you gotta get the card to figure it out. It's right there. No way. 1 minute in, I'm already running in the middle of the street. No, it's fine. It's going away. Don't go away. Stop. Here comes cars. Ah! Success.
Destruction at home would get you in trouble, but at this place, you're supposed to leave rubble. Are you supposed to break things at this place?
Ooh, okay, you're getting closer.
Your construction site?
No.
Jordan's home?
You mean my house?
Yeah.
No. Where can you break things? It starts with an R.
Rage room?
Yeah.
Okay, what?
Perfect.
Wait, we're actually going to a rage room?
Yeah.
Oh, I love rage rooms.
I think you've probably been frustrated sitting at the house for the last 2 months, so you can get your frustration out now.
Oh, this is about to be nice. Okay, well, the wind's like getting everywhere.
All they're caring about is their hair.
Look like Winnie the Pooh gave you that haircut.
You keep talking about haircuts because Salish is gonna give you one later.
No, I'll let her cut my hair if I cut your hair.
Oh, I don't know, dude.
All right, Jordan, go into sports mode already.
Oh, you want sports mode?
Yeah, go sports.
Drive mode sport. Here it comes. Ready?
Okay, gas it.
Set, go. Woo! Yes!
Oh, my hair. This is gonna be such a fun day, and at the end of it, I can teach you how to walk.
I already know how to walk.
Sure you do.
I'm sorry, dude, but if you're not gonna wear your boot, I gotta carry you.
The doctor said I can walk if it doesn't hurt too much.
Okay, Nadal,
Then
just
better
be
than
careful.
nothing. Whoa! Wait, do we get to break anything here?
You
We
can
can
break
break anything?
anything you want.
Whoa! This was my idea, but I didn't know I would have to look like a bee person.
You mean a beekeeper?
Yeah,
Yeah.
same thing.
First person to 3 points gets to drive the Mustang.
What?
Oh.
That's a bad idea. I'm gonna let one of you drive the Mustang. Point number 1, whichever one of you can hit this glass with this bat from there. I can't be in here because I don't have protective gear on and I don't trust you guys at all.
Okay, bye.
Cameramen, take care of yourselves, please. I'll be out here watching.
Okay.
All right, Say, let's do it. Hit that glass.
Oh, he actually got it! First try, wait, what?
Oh my God, wow. You got it on
Dang.
the first shot, are you kidding? Now Nadal's turn. He's gotta hit only this glass with that bat.
Well, not the bottom one?
If you hit the bottom one, it doesn't count.
Oh,
Salis is
yeah.
already winning 1-0.
Okay.
She's the one driving the Mustang unless you bring your game.
Okay.
Oh, he hit the camera.
Oh my God, I broke a phone? Oh, it didn't break.
Didn't break.
Is the phone broken? It was an iPhone.
Hey, we got a beautiful angle.
I should give you a point just for hitting that. And when we're done with this challenge, you get 5 minutes to destroy anything you want in here.
Oh, but
Okay?
Here she goes. Oh, she missed it.
Oh my God!
Oh, it broke everything, but it didn't count as a point.
I broke something.
Oh, it's filming. That was awesome. Way to go. Didn't count as a point though.
What?
No, because you hit the bottom. Replay. That was a good crash though. Hit the glass without hitting the bottom
Okay,
part.
I would move.
Get me out of here. All right, Salish. I don't trust her. I gotta be out here. Oh!
Yes.
Nadal, I thought you were an athlete. Oh, he did it! He did it! It's all tied up!
I got it!
Dude, nice shot. For the final round, whoever hits this glass off that head first wins driving the Mustang. Salish for the win. Can you hit the glass? Mustang up. Oh, wait. That was so far away. No, Salish, your turn. She did it! Salish won!
She hit the dummy.
Replay. Oh, she hit the dummy. Keep going. Another glass.
It's way harder than it looks.
Somebody's driving the Mustang today. It's a bad idea, right? Nadal, as soon as you hit this, you guys get to break everything.
Oh!
Nadal won that round.
I guess he gets to drive the Mustang. Woo!
And now you guys get 5 minutes to break whatever you want.
So all your anger, you can just go free for like 5 minutes, okay?
Wait, are you not
Okay.
gonna go with me?
I'm scared of you, so bye!
So you've been like just cooped up in your house for like months.
Yeah.
And you're getting a little stir crazy, right?
Yep.
And you need to take it out somewhere, right?
Yeah!
So let's take it out right here. Get me out of here, get me out of here, get me out of here.
It is so great to see Nadal finally releasing some of his frustration.
He's going to town.
Get that anger out, Needle!
Stupid wheelchair. The crutches. The cast. Wheelchair. Stuck in my room.
Remember, Nadal, if you do everything Salish says today, you get whatever in this box.
Is it breakable?
I don't know.
Find out.
No, actually, no. Nadal seems really angry right now, but he'll be very happy when he attempts a back handspring later in the day. We're gonna do a thumbnail, but really she's gonna get to cut his hair. And go, hold the bangs, just pull the, yes, there we go. And act like you're, turn the scissors this way.
I'm scared.
Yeah, there. Good, ready? Now, Salish, actually do it, for real. I'd give you $100,000.
I wouldn't do it. I would feel so bad.
He has to do everything you say, Salish. If you tell him to cut his hair, he's got to.
I don't feel bad.
Salish has cut Nadal's hair before as a prank, but this time she's concerned about his feelings and chooses not to do it.
Yeah, see, your daughter's sweet, unlike you. Now get out of here.
Okay.
Get out of here. Is that a T? Salish, can I please write the notes next time?
I wasn't even trying. You love doing this so much you could almost go pro.
I got it. Oh.
Once you're here, you'll see me in Digital Amigo.
What does that even mean?
What do you do that's digital that you love? When you were like 12 or 11, what did you teach me how to do?
Use private tabs?
Whoa!
You taught me how to do something and then I crashed into the table.
Oh, VR.
One of Nadal's very favorite things to do has always been immersive VR, but he hasn't been able to do it since his surgery until right now. So we're gonna play a game of laser tag. Nadal versus Salish. Loser gets a consequence. Are you guys ready?
Wait, consequence?
Ready?
So far. You were cheating.
I was not cheating!
She was in her little zone.
No,
She can't get hands. I just copied what you did and it worked.
So your consequence is you have to go order a bottle of water from the front desk, and then when he gives it to you, shake his hand for 30 seconds without saying any words.
No, that's so
no explanation.
awkward.
Okay, you gotta be next to her.
Okay.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Can I get a water?
Water? Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
No, for sure. Yeah, you can have the water.
Yeah, thanks. Well, open that for me.
15 seconds.
Okay, yeah.
Here.
Thank you.
You going to pay for that? Okay.
Alrighty, thanks.
Yeah, of course. It's $2.99.
Tag.
What?
I can't run.
They can't play tag yet, but it's awesome how quickly he's recovering. He's already walking around just a month after the surgery. That's crazy. I think Salish has a plan to speed up his recovery somehow. We'll see how that goes, but I'm happy to see how well he's doing.
By the way, guys, a needle has merch, right? N and then W and then the go, go, go with like his little cell phone on it. How long till we can go to a trampoline park together again?
3 months.
Okay.
What he doesn't realize is that he'll be doing it later today. One guess, what's in the package?
Okay, pretty light.
It's awesome.
What is one of the items in there? Letter start with.
A.
What?
If you guess it, you can open it right now.
A puppy?
A puppy. No, I guess you have to wait until the end of the day. What do you think it is?
VR headset. Like an Xbox?
These guys know boys. Okay, good guesses. Thank you. There's a gift in here for this boy, and if you guess what it is, you get to have it instead.
Wait, no, what? Wait,
Okay.
no.
Guys, this is it.
PlayStation?
Oh, you get that? No, it wasn't
What?
PlayStation. Okay.
No.
At that moment, I realized I wasn't gonna let Nadal drive my car. Sorry, Nadal. Next challenge, both of you race at the same time. Here, sitting here together.
What?
One of you will be steering, the other will be accelerating. Nadal just got 3 minutes. We're gonna see if they can beat that record together. If you get a better score, you get $20.
Needle, you steer and I'll accelerate.
Guess it. Oh my god, this hard. Oh my god. Okay, brake. Ah, Salish, brake.
I thought you're the brake person.
Go, gas. Slow down. Go, gas it.
What do you think I'm doing?
Gas.
Oh, sorry, I keep forgetting.
Oh my god. We're not beating 3 minutes together.
You got this.
Okay, we're at 2 minutes and 32 seconds.
Are we almost at the end?
No, we're not. Slow down.
We don't.
Gas. Go.
Now we're going backwards.
Go. No.
Oh, I see the ending. You know what? I think it would be better fit if I use my hand.
Yeah, do that. Brake. I give up.
Okay. And we finished. That was definitely over 3 minutes, but Sandy, you won't tell, right?
No.
Yeah.
Dad, we did
Jordan,
under 3
we did
minutes.
it.
I don't believe
That was the
There's
easiest
no
thing
way.
ever.
Sandy, did they do it?
Yeah, under.
Actually?
It
Yep.
was so easy.
Okay.
All right.
Everybody here is lying to me. I can feel
No.
it. I'm gonna go look at the score.
Yeah.
They lied to me. Give me my money back. Actually, give me my
We
money
got
back.
this money.
I need to run.
Nadal has no idea that at the end of the day, he's going to attempt what seemed impossible a month ago, a back handspring.
Next clue.
You need a boost, cause energy.
No.
Bro, these handwritings are killing me.
You need a boost, because energy decayed. Go to the great place with the green mermaid.
What mermaid?
Okay, where's somewhere where you could get
Wait.
energy? You have to go to a place with the green mermaid because you don't have any energy. What's a coffee place? Like, oh wait. I just gave it away.
Starbucks.
Salish, you're the worst when it comes to that.
I would have never figured that out.
My bad.
You're going to Starbucks. It's been a month since we saw you. How are you doing? You seem like you're recovering.
I'm doing good. I can walk.
What kind of? You can hop.
That's pretty much all I can do. I can't run, jump, flip, nothing of that.
How's your head?
My head feels fine. Maybe a little slower, but
Collarbone?
collarbone's fully healed.
So you've like practically healed. The only thing you can't do is walk.
I can walk.
You can't walk. Because Salish is helping you walk at the end of the day. Yeah, it's been really hard for you not being able to walk.
Yeah.
It's weird because he hasn't walked for one step in this whole video.
Yeah.
Okay, so we thought he couldn't walk when we got here, but obviously he's already walking and he's a strong kid, but he's gonna walk even better at the end of the day. This is a game of guess the drink at Starbucks. Salish goes first and sips this. If she gets the drink wrong, Nadal gets to look through her phone until she gets the right ingredient.
No.
Then she gets to do the same thing to Nadal until he gets the right ingredient. You guys have 1 minute to delete.
No,
Go.
I have more than 1 minute.
They're cleaning up their phone so that they can let the other one see it.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
Is it bad?
That's disgusting. Dang it, it's not chai.
Chai, was it right? Chai is wrong, phone.
Okay.
Okay, do whatever you want to do.
Oh,
what is it? What is it?
Whatever you do, don't look through my photos.
He looks like he's looking through your photos. He looks shocked. He looks shocked.
Matcha lavender oat latte.
Is it?
Yep, it is.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
If you don't guess the drink right, you got to hand your phone to Salish.
Okay.
Okay, Nidal, you got this.
For your phone.
Ugh. Think lemonade?
Oh, start looking. Oh, hurry.
No.
Keep guessing. She's just looking through.
Nidal!
Oh!
Look at this picture.
Okay, hold on.
What?
Wait.
What are they looking at? Guess something else. So she gets to look through everything. All your DMs, all your texts. She's trying to look through the whole.
Is that not strawberry pink drink?
Nope, keep going. She's just looking through everything.
Oh yeah, I've texted a couple of people.
Wait, what?
I texted a bunch of girls.
What color? Okay, it's blue.
No, you're cheating.
Is it strawberry lemonade?
No, keep going.
Now we're gonna open your DM.
Oh, she's opening your DMs.
Wait, no, actually, please,
no.
You can't go through that. You can't go through that. Actually, she cannot look through that.
Do you want to quit?
Fine.
Okay, you better hurry up.
Nidal, what is this picture?
What picture? What picture? Oh,
No,
okay.
no, get out of there.
Whoa.
It tastes like something Gigi's got. Mango dragon fruit lemonade.
Yes, take it, yes. Yes. Whoever guesses it first wins. Go.
Vanilla bean frappuccino.
Nope.
Really? That tastes like it.
That's a pink drink.
Pink drink!
Ew.
I thought you loved them.
I used to.
Okay, let's go to the next location. This is Nadal, not healed, and rock climbing. Who can get to that light first? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, I started way before.
This is a race. I'm gonna be here so he doesn't fall.
Yeah.
They're literally rock
Got it.
climbing. Let's go to the top. Oh!
No, wait, you can't take me down.
Oh, look, he's still little. I can carry this kid. Nadal's gonna get his present soon.
Yeah, I am.
Soon, not now.
No.
Not now, soon.
Now.
All right, next clue.
We've had a lot of fun, but I don't think it's over. At this next spot, healing will get much better.
What do you think it is? I'm just driving in circles till you figure out where we're going.
I don't know where we're going. A nurse? A doctor? A gym?
Yeah, this is where I'm gonna give you physical therapy.
Whoa. I'm pretty sure you don't know anything about physical therapy. My friend used to work here. Look, there's a super tramp over
I'm
there.
doing it.
Bro, it feels so unnormal to jump on a trampoline. Oh my God.
We hope that by bringing him here, it would encourage Nadal to slowly, at his own pace, get back into training. But what we forgot is that Nadal doesn't do anything slowly. Before I even realized it, he was already on the trampoline.
Okay, this is my first trampoline since the injury. Oh, I can't jump too high. Yeah, my doctor said I can do whatever doesn't hurt, so I'm just gonna jump on one leg.
Break the Barriers works with able-bodied and the disabled, and they call it various abilities, impacting lives both here in California and around the world. These guys are awesome.
First step of your PT, just get comfortable on a trampoline.
But he was just waiting for the right moment.
Before we get into the rehab of Salish rehabbing Nadal, we'll see how that goes. First, they're gonna have an archery contest. They're each gonna get 3 shots. The loser gets a consequence. All right, Colin, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Colin, no, bad idea. We've got a GoPro right here. You take it like it's
Good
not,
call,
yeah?
good call, good
Okay.
call.
See the arrow shaft pointing on the target?
Oh! Very, very close.
You got this.
Well, he looks kind of professional. Oh,
That's close.
okay, that's better. Nadal's in the lead with the outer yellow. Salish, you do not want this consequence.
Ooh.
Very close though. Can he do a second yellow?
Oh.
No.
She has 22 points. He's got 16 points, so he needs a 7 to win it, which is an outer red.
If Nadal gets outer red or yellow, he wins and Salish gets a consequence.
Hit the white. Hit the white. Yes.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh.
What is it?
Wait. Oh, I mean, you're the official judge. Tell us what the deal is. This is very, very close.
If it's touching any part of the line, you round up. So it's clearly in the red, so that's a winner right there.
No!
Again!
Let's go.
I always lose to her, so it feels good to see her kind of lose once in a while. Okay, you ready for your consequence?
No. For the next thing, you're gonna need to wear this.
Okay, wait, why am I wearing this?
You'll see. Come on, just follow me. Let's go. You know how I get to control your life?
Yeah.
So you have to do my consequence.
Oh God, what is it?
This is gonna be very good for your rehab. You have to go in.
No! An ice bath? No.
Get in.
I don't know how good that is for me. Oh, I hate cold water. I hate ice baths, actually.
Nidal, this is gonna help all your swelling and inflammation. Please, I wanna go in
Oh
it.
my God, that's cold.
This is low-key satisfying.
No, that's enough ice.
It's so cool. Get in. No, this is for you. Just trust me. It's not even that
Put your
cold.
foot in there.
I'm scared.
Go, I'll do it. Let's go, put foot in. It's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little cold. I can't lie.
Nadal, remember, you have to do everything she says or you don't get this.
Trust me, you really want that. It's so good.
And this is healthy for your recovery.
All the way in. Ice baths are good for so many things. Long life, recovery.
Okay. Oh, that's so nice.
The longer you wait, the more ice goes in.
All the way.
It's so cold.
Whoa, wait.
You did it.
Okay, one back. And one more back. Okay, come out. Okay.
If that's rehab, I'm never doing that again.
I have a little bit more rehab we can do.
We came into this day assuming that Nadal basically couldn't walk and we could help him take a few steps, but as you've seen, the kid's walking. So I don't know that Salish can do much to help him walk even more.
Okay, Nidal, let's do your PT first.
Wait, I can't do the splits though.
You'll be able to after this.
God, I'm not good at splits. I'm not a flexible person.
Does it hurt so far?
Yes.
Already?
No, you can't do that. Oh.
How does that hurt? You know, you're losing flexibility, now you have to get it back.
I'm just gonna keep going. No, I'm not flexible.
We used to be the same height.
I was always taller.
No, I used to be
Ready?
the same height as you. Okay, I don't know how to use this, but I heard it helps, so I want to try.
You got it.
Okay, good. It's fun.
Let me try. Oh, if this is physical therapy, I could do this all day.
So fun. I'll help him go upside down.
I like it. Oh my God.
Okay, Nidal, stay like this for a couple minutes and you'll be healed in no time.
Wait, what? Wait, come back. Hey, Salish.
Nadal is in charge of Nadal.
Let's go. I did a back handspring. Oh, I'm so happy.
You've done all your PT. Now you get your present if you can walk a mile. Here, I can help you.
What?
Ready?
Okay, wait, okay, don't go that fast.
Okay.
I'm kidding, Salish, I can walk.
What? Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, I don't want you to walk anymore because I don't want you to get tired. So I guess you're right. You can just get the prize.
Oh, thank God.
He was supposed to do a mile. No. Whoa. You don't, the deal was he had to do a mile. Okay.
Okay, Nidal, open it.
This is really sweet because Salish handpicked each one of these gifts. The last one is especially meaningful.
Does that have anything to do with my leg?
Kind of.
Okay.
Some protein powder. So you gotta get some muscle back. Some Air Forces.
Oh, yeah.
These are what you ruined in the accident.
Thank you so much.
Some more protein powder because we really gotta get you back into shape.
I'm not already into shape.
You a photo of when he used to have muscles.
Oh, okay. Wow, that hurt.
After he opens these gifts, go check out Nadal's channel because they did a really cool video together.
No way. No way. How do you know I got into the crash with the other ones?
Cause I just knew. I have my resources. Then,
Oh yeah, what's that? I was so curious.
The bracelet that says go, go, go.
Just like my merch.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. This has been an awesome day. I got in an accident, but I'll never be weak.
Oh, here he goes limping.
Oh, yep.